The writ petitions are dismissed. And the IAs, all of them are disposed of. 5 of them. Obliged.
May I please?
Yes.
I will mention a listing after vacation matter, admission matter.
Listing when?
After vacation,
After vacation.
months.
You approach the registry for that. All right.
Lordship, may I pray for moving an unlisted motion today, Your Lordship?
What is the urgency?
Urgency, Lordship, a fresh advertisement has been issued, Your Lordship. The
Ah.
last date is 17.
17.
17.
17 of what?
Of October, Your Lordship.
There's a vacation bench also, I think. You move it before the vacation.
So,
bench.
Lordship, otherwise, may I pray for 13th, otherwise, Lordship?
13 is what?
Monday, first day of opening.
Okay.
Lordship. Lordship, with regard to a supplementary item, Lordship. 30, Your Lordship. It appears that the contempt, the order has been complied with, Your Lordship. They have rejected.
I have given the compliance order. It has been complied.
Your good name?
N. Gautam, Your Lordship.
Mr. N. Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the order of this court has been complied with. Stop. Mr. S.M.T. Chisti, learned counsel, appearing for the sole respondent, agrees with the submission. In view of above, contempt petition stands closed.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I made to allow to withdraw this petition. Lordship, with liberty, Lordship.
Why liberty?
Lordship, there are some typographical mistake, Lordship.
Your good name?
D. Datta, Lordship.
D.
D. Datta.
Mr. D. Miss D. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since there are some typographical error in the writ petition, she may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Mr. S.M.T. Chisti, learned counsel for the secondary school education has no objection. In view of above, petition stands disposed of as withdrawn. with liberty to file afresh if so advised.
Highly blessed.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, although the petition is voluminous, my lord, but the facts which is within my grip, my lord, I will convince my lord. Kindly, my lord, I will take your lordship page 27, my lord.
Voluminous means what?
My
Your
lord,
petition is only 9 pages. The remaining is all in extra.
yes, my lord.
So-
So page, my lord, first, my lord, 27, my lord. In this read petition, the petitioner before your lordship is included as respondent number 7, my lord.
What is this contempt case?
Yes, my lord.
Show me the order. Which order is not complied
Order,
with?
my lord, on 192, my lord.
192.
192, yes. Then, my lord, relevant portion your lordship will find at page 204, last para, my lord. Paragraph 20. This is a read petition, read appeal, my lord. Paragraph 20, my lord.
Yes.
Read appeal filed by the present petitioner before your lordship, wherein my lord, the read appeal is allowed.
Just read the order, that's all. Read the order.
Then, my lord, page 194, my lord.
Please read the order operative portion. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Lordship. My lord, paragraph 20, page 204, man. For the reason stated, that single judge was not correct in declaring the B.Ed degree of the appellant invalid by the impugned judgment and order dated so and so. Therefore, the judgment and order dated so and so stand set aside. Now, my lord, the read petition, my lord, wherein it is, my lord, wherein it is, my lord, that the degree of the B.Ed degree of the petitioner is invalid. But the read appellate court, my lord, by judgment and order dated, yes,
Mr. Counsel,
Well-
you first show me the order passed by the learned single judge.
lordship. And my lord,
Where is it?
page, my lord, 27, my lord.
27.
Yes, single judge. Order dated, my lord, 27 to 2020.
Okay.
Relevant portion your lordship will find, my lord, paragraph at page 34, my lord. Last, my lord, paragraph 26. Last, my lord, but
Hmm.
for the reason above, this court find that the B.Ed degree certificate of the respondent number 7, dated so and so, issued by the Assam University, that was issued after the appointed day on so and so date, is not a valid B.Ed degree.
This was set aside
This was set aside by
by the
the
division bench.
Read Appellate Court, my lord,
Hmm.
stating that the B.Ed degree, the B.Ed degree of the appellant invalid by the impugned judgment and order dated 27 to 2020. It is a correct B.Ed degree as per the judgment of the appellate court, my lord. So, the relief claimed in the read appeal, my lord, your lordship will find at page 60. At page 60. Under the circumstances stated above, may I read, my lord?
No, just a minute. Writ petition was filed by
By,
Askit.
by Oshit,
By-
by Oshit Ranjan Pal, my lord,
Yes.
wherein, my lord, I am impleaded as respondent number 7.
Your B.Ed degree was cancelled.
Yes, B.Ed degree is cancelled, my lord.
Okay, you are respondent number 7.
Yes,
Then you filed writ appeal.
writ appeal.
Writ appeal, division bench said that judgment is set aside.
Yes, set aside,
Then the writ petition was dismissed.
dismissed.
Now, after this writ appeal order was passed, did you furnish a copy of the order?
Yes, furnished to the respondent authorities, my lord.
When?
Yes, my lord. 205 Annexure 7, my lord.
Annexure 7.
Of June 2024, my lord.
Hmm.
And next, my lord, 2 representation I have filed, and 2nd day of September 2024, my lord. And 207
Hmm.
and 205, Annexure 7 and 8 respectively. But the authority, my lord, did not comply with this.
Comply means what? What is to
Comply
be
means,
done?
my lord,
It is not your writ petition. It was filed by somebody else.
not my writ petition, my lord.
Hmm.
My writ, by this writ,
Somebody challenged your B.Ed degree,
my lord.
and that B.Ed degree of yours was cancelled by the learned single judge.
Yes,
The division bench said that no, that was not wrong. Judgment of the single judge set aside,
set aside.
and the writ petition dismissed.
Writ petition is
So that means the writ petition never existed. Now, what relief do you want?
relief, my lord, as I have, my lord, kindly page 60, my lord, relief that I have claimed in the writ appeal against the impugned judgment and order passed by the learned single judge.
Page 60.
Page 60, my lord.
No, but what relief did the division bench give you?
Division bench
Nothing.
allowed the writ appeal, my lord. Meaning thereby, my lord, the appeal or relief that was claimed in the writ appeal, that was allowed.
No, but there's no further direction.
But the direction, my lord, in the as the writ appeal, my lord, allowed all the relief claimed in the writ appeal.
What is the relief claimed by you?
Relief claimed, my lord,
Page
page 60, my lord.
60.
60. To pass an order, a relief A, my lord, to pass an order in setting aside and questioning the impugned order dated 27/2/2020, passed by the learned single judge.
That is set aside.
It is set aside.
Number 2.
Number 2, my lord, to pass an order directing the respondent authorities, particularly the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, to
Hmm.
make payment of arrear salaries,
Yes.
pension, and other retirement
Hmm.
due to the petitioner. Due to
Then-
the appellant fortuit in view of the retirement from service from the post of subject teacher in so-and-so higher secondary school in the district of Karimganj. And third, C, to pass an order directing the respondent authorities, particularly respondent number 1 and 2, to provide for national promotion to the appellant to the post of the principal of so-and-so higher secondary school, Karimganj, for the purpose of pensionary benefit. These are the, my lord, relief claimed in the writ appeal.
But, Mr.
But-
Counsel,
My lord,
the learned division bench
my lord.
has only set aside
Set aside, my lord.
the judgment of the learned single judge,
My lord,
and writ petition, writ
Allowed.
appeal is allowed.
allow.
But there is no specific order, no specific direction
My lord.
saying that give him arrear salary, give him notional promotion.
Of the passing of the
Those are not there.
judgment and order, my lord, passed in the writ appeal, my lord.
Hmm.
I have furnished the representation before the authorities concerned.
No, I understand.
My
I've
lord.
seen that. I've seen that.
Does the authority concerned taking into consideration that no, your B.Ed degree is not valid. That's why we are not providing any salary, any pensionary benefit to you. I have stated in my petition, my lord, paragraph 11, specifically, my lord,
11.
kindly, my lord, at page 8, my lord, of the petition, that the petitioner accordingly thereafter also submitted representation dated page 8, my lord.
Yes.
Last one, paragraph 11, my lord, that the petitioner accordingly thereafter also submitted representation dated 2/9/2024 before the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Secondary Education Department, and the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, requesting the said authorities for payment of arrear salaries, pension, and other retirement benefit to the petitioner, but the authorities are withholding the payment legitimately due to the petitioner on assumption that the petitioner did not have valid B.Ed degree, with the utter disregard and willful disobedience of the aforesaid judgment and order dated 6/4/2024, passed by this honorable court in writ appeal number 197 of 2002, my lord.
So where is your representation?
Representation is, my lord, at
2924.
my lord, representation, your lordship will find at page 205, annexure 7, first representation.
No, only annexure 8. Against
Annexure-
paragraph 11,
Lordship,
against paragraph 11, you have given annexure 8.
Lordship,
Where is this?
page 206,
Huh? 206.
206, my lord. Annexure 8, my lord.
Dated
And dated, my lord,
2nd September.
2nd September 2024, my lord. I have specifically mentioned in this presentation, my lord. A, B, C. Paragraph 2, my lord, that honorable, that this honorable Guwahati High Court thereafter.
So who are the respondents here?
Respondent, my lord, one Mr. Narayan Kumar, my lord, secretary,
And
and my lord, the director. Lordship.
Momota ho jaye.
Narayan Kumar, my lord, the secretary, and my lord, another the.
See, what I don't understand is why was that writ petition filed? Why was that writ petition filed against you?
The petition was filed one of my colleague, my lord, who was the principal of the said school,
Correct.
challenging my B.Ed degree. No, this person present.
No, what benefit he will get by challenging your,
That's why, my lord, I am before this honorable court in writ appeal court against this judgment and order passed by the learned single judge.
so there was any issue regarding seniority or any provincialization? No issue.
No issue.
Then why did he challenge it?
My lord, this is the fact.
Same school.
Same school, my lord, he was the principal at the time,
Hmm.
and he has challenged this B.Ed degree.
And if you have the B.Ed degree, what benefits will you get?
Benefit, my lord,
What will you get? What benefit?
pensionary benefit I will get, my lord.
Without B.Ed, you'll not get pension.
The pension I will get, my lord.
Then?
But B.Ed degree, then the next
Rate will,
my next promotion will be principal after the retirement of the petitioner in the
but
petition.
you are already superannuated.
Superannuated, my lord will find at annexure 4, my lord.
No, if you are
Please,
superannuated,
but
that's why,
Kindly pay 36, my lord, please.
no, that's why you are praying for notional promotion
Benefit would
because you are already superannuated.
superannuated after, my lord.
But you did not file writ petition. It was somebody else who filed writ petition against your B.Ed degree.
Yes.
And that became unsuccessful after appellate court interfered.
Lordship.
But merely because of
But I
that,
am not getting my pensionary benefit till date, my lord.
because there is no specific direction from the court.
I have furnished the certified copy, my lord, of this.
You made the prayer.
Fine.
You should have prayed
I
before the,
I approached my lord verbally.
no, you should have approached
Yeah,
the appellate court
Lordship.
saying that please give me all these benefits. And that benefit should have been incorporated in the judgment and order.
My lord, that is reflected in my relief.
Now,
my
by
lord.
simply saying allowed, what they will do?
Allowed, my lord, the relief that has been claimed in the writ appeal, that has been allowed. Meaning thereby that the appeal, whatever relief I have claimed, that has been allowed.
See, Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
perhaps in the long run, you will have to file another writ petition. Not by the way of this contempt. By specifically praying that you should be given this.
Well, my
Because writ appellate court is not adjudicating. Writ appellate court is only examining whether the learned single judge was right or wrong in passing the order. Finally, the appellate court said the learned single judge was wrong, so set aside. That's all. And further direction to be given has to be specific, is not there. So
my lord, ultimately,
we may issue notice,
my lord,
but I'm telling you, in the long run,
my lord.
you will have to file a writ petition. You may not perhaps be able to get some relief with this. Specific direction has to be there.
My lord.
Your good name?
T.U. Laskar, my lord.
Heard Mr. T.U. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the B.Ed degree of the petitioner was challenged by one Mr. Asit Baran Paul, through WPC number 4443 of 2017. And the court provide order dated 27/2/2020 held that the B.Ed degree of the petitioner to be invalid. Stop. The petitioner then filed, the present petitioner was arrayed as respondent number 7 in the said writ petition. And he filed, and being aggrieved, he filed writ appeal number 197 of 2020. Stop. The writ appellate court wide judgment and order dated 4/6/2024 set aside the order of the learned single judge. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner contends that although a copy of the judgment and order has been furnished to the respondents, but the respondents have not given them any benefit, as was prayed for by the petitioner in his writ appeal, and which was allowed by the division bench. In view of above, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice to the respondents by registered post with AD within 3 working days. This again after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
His Lordship.
Yes.
Contempt petition has been filed for non-compliance of order dated 12/6/2025.
Page,
Lordship, the order starts at page 10. Lordship. Effective portion will be at page 31. Page 31, paragraph 20, my lord.
31,
Page 31, the effective portion.
paragraph 20.
Paragraph 20.
There is no paragraph 20.
Lordship, page 31.
Yes, paragraph 13, 14, 15 is there, but
Sorry, paragraph 15, my lord.
yes, read.
However, considering that only 20 numbers of petitioners are before this court, it is directed that the cases of the petitioner be reconsidered in terms of the seniority and the procedure laid down in the aforesaid Rule 14. And if they are found to be senior to any persons who have been selected, such persons have to give way to the petitioners to make their appointments. It is further clarified that since the select list pertains to the entire Buxar district, the displacement has to be done from the bottom of the list of the selected candidates. Aforesaid exercise shall be conducted within a period of 2 months from today. Lordship, this is the effective portion of the order.
What is this? A common judgment, a common order?
Common order, my lord.
And you are the which petitioner?
Lordship, petitioners in WPC 1736 of 2024, 1735 of 24, and 2339 of 2024, Lordship.
How many petitioner before this court now?
Lordship, right now, Lordship, 5.
5 of them.
Lordship.
They have filed separate writ petitions.
Lordship,
what?
Separate, Lordship, two of them were clubbed together, and Lordship, the rest had separate.
Just repeat the case number.
Lordship, WPC 1736 of 2024.
Just a minute. 1736. Where is that?
Lordship, page 23.
How many writ petitions were disposed of by that single order?
Single order, Lordship, there were 20 writ petitioners in total. Lordship, now, Lordship, 5 of them are before this court.
No. How many writ petitions?
Lordship, in total,
Yes. The-
total, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3.
I did not get the number. From where you're saying that? 1736.
1736.
And the other one?
Lordship, one is 1735 of 2024.
Oh. Once and
And 2339 of 2024. 239.
Okay. So comprising of how many petitioners in total? Today, how many petitioners
Lordship,
in
five-
total?
Five petitioners, Lordship.
Now, have you served a copy of the order?
Lordship, we had served a copy of the order.
When did
Lordship.
you serve?
Lordship, at page 33, before the director, Lordship, thereafter, after pursuing the director informed that the secretary, a meeting was held with the secretary also, Lordship.
Mm.
In the last part of July, thereafter, Lordship, no response has been made. Despite having visited the office, Lordship, they have not given any update nor made any response to that, Lordship.
What was this post concerned?
Lordship, for headmaster.
Okay. Will issue notice. How many respondents are there?
Lordship, 4 respondents.
Who are they?
Lordship, 4. So, Lordship, respondent number 1 is the Commission Secretary, School Education Department.
Mm.
2 is the Secretary, Education Department of BTC. Respondent 3 is the Director of Education, BTC. And 4th is the Inspector of Schools,
Okay.
Buxa.
Heard Ms. P. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioners who submits that the direction passed by this court by common judgment and order dated 12/6/2025, with the lead case being 1735 of 2024, has not been complied with by the respondents, despite a copy of the same having been furnished to them. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the petitioners before this court today, where the petitioners in WPC number 1735 of 2024, WPC number 2339 of 2024, and WPC number 1736 of 2024. Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Steps within 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Registered post AD. Yes.
Non-compliance of order dated, my lord, 14/5/2025, my lord. My lord, operative part, your lordship will find page 7, paragraph 17, page 17, my lord.
Please read.
In the result, this writ petition stands allowed. The respondent number 3 is directed to pay the arrear salary to the petitioner covering the period from 6 so and so within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order, my lord. Certified copy was submitted on page 205 to 2025.
Who's the respondent?
Respondent, my lord, director, my lord.
Director only. One respondent.
One respondent.
Heard Mr.
A.
AHMR Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the judgment and order dated 14/5/2025, passed by this court in WPC number 5771 of 2021, has not been complied with by the respondent, despite a copy of the order having been furnished to him. Next para, issue notice returnable over 4 weeks, steps within 3 working days. Okay.
Deeply.
Lordship, on the last occasion, my learned friend was asked to open instruction, whether review was done or not, Lordship. Admittedly, Lordship, there was no review.
Received, my lord, any instruction from the authority.
And Lordship, after my representation on 27, Lordship, there is also a communication, Lordship, by the DEO, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly see Annexure 7. Annexure 7, page 30.
What is this?
Lordship, pursuant to my application, Lordship, the District Elementary Education Officer has forwarded this to Senior Assistant, Lordship.
What is the position you're holding?
I am a Senior Assistant in the Office of the Block Elementary Education Officer, Golagans, Lordship.
Where?
Block Elementary Education Officer, Lordship,
Of-
Golagans in Dhubri District.
Golagaunch.
Golagans in Dhubri District.
Dholakgaon.
Golagans. Lordship may kindly see this,
Golaganj.
Yes.
Okay.
page 30, Lordship may kindly see. Forwarding the prayer petition of so and so.
Dated? What is the date?
Date, Lordship. 6/8/2025. This is a type copy, Lordship. The original is a,
So why didn't you give the date?
Lordship, maybe during the typing, Lordship, it was not.
No, in the original copy also, where is the date? 27/8, I think.
28/8, Lordship.
27/8.
28/8/2024, Lordship.
28, how do you say 28?
Because Lordship, on 27, Lordship, page 29, on 27, I have made an application intimating the authority, Lordship. On 27, I made that application. On 28, they forwarded this, my application. That is why, Lordship, this date is 28,
Oh, your application is 27.
27,
They forwarded maybe on 28 or after
28.
that.
28 after.
That's a different thing.
Yes.
But your application is dated 27.
27.
So why do you want to go to 28?
Yeah.
They may have forwarded after 15 days,
Yes.
20 days.
Yeah.
Then that means your application is on that date. No.
Lordship, there is an observation in the last paragraph. Further, Lordship, may kindly see. Further, I'd like to inform you that employee concerned has been released on bail by the Honorable Chief Special Judge Assam High Order dated 9/5/2024. And accordingly, he released from judicial custody on 11/5/2024. A copy of the order dated 9/5/2000 of Honorable High Court enclosed. It is also inform you that one junior assistant is working in the office of the BEO Golagans except grade 4 employee. So you are requested to arrange for withdrawal the suspension order imposed against Dependranath Brahma and reinstate him in his original post, considering the bail of the Honorable Court as well as shortage of office staff. This is a letter given by the District Elementary Education Officer to the Director, Lordship. Even he has also recommended my reinstatement. And admittedly, Lordship, there was no review. So I pray before Lordship, my case may be disposed of in terms of the similar order I have annexed, Lordship, in my petition.
Where is that similar order?
Page 35. Two orders I have annexed, Lordship.
So we'll dispose it of Mr. Das.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. S.K. Das,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P. Das, learned standing counsel.
PK Bora.
Sorry, P.K. Bora, I'm sorry. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary
Malo.
education. Of this matter was listed on 22nd of September 2025. On which date the learned standing counsel, elementary education, was asked to obtain instructions. Stop today. Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary, submits that he has not yet received the instructions till date. Stop having regard to the grievance projected by the petitioner. The writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. Next para, it is the case of the petitioner that he is working as senior assistant
Senior assistant, Lordship.
in the office of the block elementary education officer, Golagganj,
Lordship.
in the district of Dhubri. And on account of his arrest on 2/4/2024, in connection with ACB PS case number 34 of 2024, dated 2/4/2024, registered under section 120 capital B IPC, read with section 7 bracket capital A of the Prevention of Corruption Act, 1988, the petitioner was placed under suspension by order dated 10/4/2024. from the date of his arrest. So it is the case of the petitioner that despite having been released on bail by this court, by order dated 9/5/2024, passed in bail application number 1174 of 2024, and the same having been communicated to the Director of Elementary Education through the District Elementary Education Officer, Dhubri, on 27/8/2024, and which was forwarded by the District Elementary Education Officer on 28/8/2024, the suspension of the petitioner has neither been reviewed nor revoked. Stop. Hence, in view of the settled position in law, in terms of the apex court decision in Ajay Kumar Chowdhury versus Union of India and another 2015 7 SCC 291, the petitioner should be reinstated into service. Next para. As already stated herein above, although instructions have been sought for, but the same has not been received by the Learned Standing Council. And it is the specific case of the petitioner that his suspension has not been revoked till date. Stop. Under the circumstance, the respondents are directed to reinstate the petitioner back into service without prejudice to their right to draw appropriate departmental proceedings if so advised. Stop. If the petitioner has not been reinstated or his suspension period reviewed till date, anything else?
The suspension order should be set aside so that I can be reinstated. They may have the liberty to initiate departmental proceeding, complete the departmental proceeding. I have no problem also.
No, I've also given a rider that if they have reviewed and not communicated to you, then that will also have to be looked into.
Yes, not that.
Stop. If the suspension of the petition has not been reviewed, it has to be understood that the suspension order dated. No. Subsistence allowance will come.
No.
What will happen to that?
Also, I have been receiving subsistence allowance.
What did I say last line? Is set aside. Order dated 10/4/2024 is set aside. Anything else, Mr. Bora? Okay. Did I say disposed?
And your lordship has said the petitioner should be reinstated in service.
Huh?
And the petitioner should be reinstated in service.
I've said that.
Yes, sir. Obliged.
If not,
With the above observation and direction, writ petition stands disposed of.
if not reviewed within the
Obvious.
stipulated period, my lord.
Hmm?
If not reviewed within the stipulated period, we may be. reassessed.
No, if not reviewed, there's no liberty for review. It's stated. Now they will have to reinstate.
Fine, ma'am.
Hmm.
Obvious.
On last occasion, losses and directly to take the instruction losses. I have received the instruction. The certificate that petitioner relied on losses may kindly turn to the advisement dated 26/12/23. The criteria
Where?
in the advertisement losses, in petition losses, annex 49,
Page?
page 49, annexer 9, page 49.
Relevant is 51.
11 is page 51 losses, criteria for selection and graduate teacher art science Hindi.
Hmm.
There is a column losses, B losses, 5 marks for participation in recognized sports, 5 marks for achievement in fine arts, cultural activities representing the state officially at national level. So to get the 5 marks, you have to participate in a cultural activities and he to officially representing a state in a national level. But the certificate he relied on lordships. Certificate located at page 47, annexer A. This is a certificate lordship, is a participant in a Bihu dance for the record under which is recorded under Guinness World Record and the certificate issued by the chief minister on his personal capacity lordship. This is not the even he has participated for the state at a national level lordship. So the categorical instruction I have received in the instruction lordship, kindly turn to page.
What is
second.
this, page 47?
47 that he has participated in a Bihu dance lordship.
Uh-huh. What was the record? Bihu dance record?
My lord,
That is a
kindly
Guinness
see
Book of
also, my
Record, it
lord,
was already recorded.
No, what was the
Annexer six.
record?
annexer 6, my
Largest
lord.
number of participants.
Largest number.
In the Bihu dance lordship.
So
Are
he
you-
or she
It's
he
my lord,
participated. So where the Guinness Book of World Record did not give you certificate.
But my
They
lord,
should have given you.
the government, the chief minister himself, my lord, issued certificate, my lord.
No, that is okay. What I'm
And-
saying is that all the participants are normally issued certificate by the Guinness Book of World Records.
My lord.
You have not been given.
And this is
But-
not an event that where he represented the state in a national level lordship.
My lord, kindly say
The
annexer 6,
criteria in
my
the
lord.
advertisement is clear.
Page
You have to
45, my lord.
participate in an event representing the state at national level.
Annexer 6, my lord.
This is
kindly
world
see, my lord.
record. What national level?
This is
It's not even state level.
It is for a
Nas-
particular purpose lawsuit. it was-
National is not even state, national, it is world.
For
all over the
purpose of
world.
World record.
Huh?
And
So
kindly see,
normally, I mean, I'm surprised. The Guinness Book of World Records authorities should have given you a specific certificate to all the participants
no, my lord.
for having participated.
And
So
my
that is your misfortune.
lord, my lord,
Now-
kindly- I have also participated, my lord, the School of Drama, my lord, national level. Annexer 6, my lord.
Six.
Page 45.
This is to certify.
National School of Drama, my lord. 3 days workshop participate, my lord.
Workshop.
National School of Drama is on his own capacity law, not from representing a state lawsuit.
And my lord, kindly check, my lord, page 46, my lord. The skill India, my lord, issued certificate. Page 46.
Advertisement is specifically, it's clear lawsuit, he had to represent the state in a national level competition lawsuit.
This is a course.
Skill India course, my lord.
Annexure 6 is a training. Annexure 7 is a course.
Yes,
My lord,
Annexure 8 is your participation.
my lord.
Anything else?
3 documents, my lord, I have, my lord,
See,
regarding
the thing is that it may not be proper for the court to see what is what, whether this should qualify, that should qualify. There'll be so many hundreds of certificates. It is for the authorities to screen that.
I'm kind of for re-verification.
This court may feel that this certificate is good. Another court may feel that it is not good.
My lord.
So this will go on. What to do?
Further
That is
playable of
not-
re-verification.
Go
like
with
that.
legitimate in this case. Otherwise, there's nothing going.
Refile affidavit.
Yes.
Going to fill up, my lord, in the month of October,
That
my
will be
lord.
filled up. That will be in natural course.
If
of
the-
That will be filled up.
October which date?
That is not specifically mentioned, my lord.
We'll list it immediately on opening.
13th loss mechanism on reopening day.
On 13, we'll fix it.
Mal-
You file affidavit. In terms of the last court's order, Mr. SMT Chisti, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, has obtained instructions, which is to the effect that the petitioner has failed to submit any documents to enable him earn 5 marks in terms of the criteria stipulated in the advertisement dated
26/12/23 Rohit.
26/12/2023.
Yes, sir.
Advertisement dated
Yes, advertisement date.
26/12/23.
Under clause bracket capital C bracket small b bracket page 51 of the writ petition, close bracket. Having regard to the nature of disputes, it would be appropriate for the respondents to file a precise and concise affidavit. Stop accordingly, let notice of motion be issued, returnable by
13th of
13th of October. Department of Secondary Education shall ensure filing of affidavit on or before the next date, so that the matter can be taken up for final consideration.
online.
Okay, one more line. Issue notice, na?
Lossy may can fix.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Yes?
Lossy may can fix it 15 because I have to have copy date during direction. I may not.
Okay, 15.
Yes.
15. Mr. SMT Chisti, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, accepts notice on behalf of the all respondents.
Yes.
Extra copies of the writ petition be served to him within 2 working days.
Online.
Right, your lordship. Item 6 and 8, lordship, similar lordship, compassionate nature lordship. Item 6, lordship, petitioner approach earlier lordship.
So you are compassionate appointment specialist.
No, lordship.
How many cases do you have compassionate appointment? So what is your case?
Lordship, petitioner approach earlier lordship,
Where is the order?
page 21 lordship. Start from page 21.
21.
Yes, lordship.
Yes. What was the order?
Relevant page 24 lordship.
Hmm.
Last line, last para.
2009.
Yes.
Why are you
lordship.
coming now?
Lordship, thereafter, petitioner recommended by the DLC lordship.
Where? Where is the
year
recommendation?
2023, page 35. Relevant page 35, lordship.
35.
Start from page 33. Serial number
Your serial number?
9.
9.
Assistant teacher LP. school,
Kaushik
lordship.
Kumar Bodoloy.
Yes.
This
lordship.
one.
Yes.
What is the remarks?
Remarks, lordship. The earlier proposal was placed before the DLC meeting held on so-and-so at so-and-so in the name of Kaushik Bordoloi, but the proposal was rejected due to non-ability of 5% reservation under compassionate ground. In this meeting, it has been decided to forward to the GOV for necessary action.
So where is the vacancy?
Lordship, assistant teacher LP school,
Where?
In the minutes, Lordship.
In the minutes, it doesn't say that there's a vacancy. And you're recommended against the vacancy.
Yes.
Ms. Kaur, what do you say?
Yes, Lordship. On the other hand, Lordship, another notification was there on, which was published on 30/8/2025, Lordship.
Mm.
And there was a fixed date for furnishing all the documents, Lordship. And
Have you
there is-
done?
Yes, Lordship.
Have you submitted?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that?
There is no statement, Lordship. in this
Lordship,
petition.
on 15, Lordship, I have submitted.
On 15th
15th
of September. Last date.
Last date.
On the last day you submitted.
Yes.
Was it acknowledged?
Yes, Lordship.
How you submitted? By post?
No, by hand.
By hand. Where's the receipt? Sure. Why didn't you annex it in the writ petition?
On the last day, Lordship, I have filed this case. That's why I have not annexed.
So, Ms. Kaur, let it be considered in view of the thing.
The date of filing of this writ petition is
15.
19/9/2025, Lordship.
Huh?
He had filed this application before the authority on 15, then he had filed this petition on the 19/9/2025. After 4 days of filing the submission of the application, Lordship. Then it is his duty to bring this on record, Lordship. Or otherwise, he have to file other additional affidavit to bring the record.
What is the explanation, Mr. Counsel?
Lordship,
Just listen. Your affidavit is notarized
yes,
on 3rd June
yes,
2025.
yes.
But writ petition filed on 15 September
Thereafter, Lordship.
after 3 months.
Yes.
Why?
It is not clear, Lord.
Lordship, on the day of
You
receiving.
could not make up your mind whether to file or not to file. What happened? Let it be considered, Ms. Court.
Right.
Since he has filed within that 15, on the last date he has filed. We'll take this into consideration. Let it be considered. Because they also again will have to examine and verify in terms of the notice. So I'm not saying anything. They will scrutinize and take a decision. Heard Mr.
And Hussain.
N. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. S. Kaur, learned government advocate
Lordship. 1, 2, 3, and 6.
for respondents 1, 2, 3, and 6. And Ms. S. Sutia, learned standing counsel, elementary education for respondent number 5. Having regard to the nature of the case projected by the petitioner, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage itself. Next para. It is the case of the petitioner that who died?
Petitioner father, Lordship.
His father died in harness on
23/9/2005, Lordship.
23/9/2005, and pursuant to which the petitioner submitted an application for compassionate appointment. Stop the DLC, which met on 11/12/2008. While considering the case of the petitioner, found that there was no vacancy in view of the fact that only 5% of the posts is reserved for compassionate appointment. So, however, in the subsequent DLC, which met on 7/7, after DLC, you write DLC Darang, Mangalday. which met on 7/7/2023. The petitioner was the application of the petitioner was accepted and it was decided to send his application to forward his application to the state level committee for necessary action. Stop. The name of the petitioner appears at serial number 9 of the meeting minutes. Stop. Despite the same, the case of the petitioner has not been considered. And in the meantime, the state government in the personnel bracket B department have come up with the office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, by which all cases of compassionate appointment has been stopped in view of the introduction of the compassionate family pension scheme. Stop. Agreed with the office memorandum, a number of had approached this court by filing their respective writ petition. Stop. All the writ petitions were taken up together and disposed of by a common order. Where's the particulars? Common order.
Yeah. Yes, 44 lordship.
No, 44 is not a common order. There was a common order. What is that?
342.
You don't have that common order. What about your other case? Is it there in the other case?
Yes.
That common order?
Yes.
All right, it is mentioned in the
See.
notice, I think. Notice.
Yes, 48.
Common order dated 3/4/2025. Passed in WPC number 342/2025. Bracket lead case. Directing the respondent authorities to consider all the pending cases for compassionate appointment in terms of the policy of the state government in this regard. Stop person to that. The government of Assam in the personal department has issued a notice on date of notice
Yes.
38/2025 requiring all persons seeking compassionate appointment and whose case was pending as on date to submit their particulars on or before 15/9/2025. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has also submitted his particulars on 15/9/2025 before the secretary to the government of Assam personal department, and which was duly received on 15/9/2025. Before that, I said 15, submitted this so and so on 11/9 to so and so, which was received on 15/9. Okay. considering the same. No, you write like this, one more line. In support of his submission, the learned counsel has produced a copy of the letter submitted by the petitioner along with the requisites dated 11/9/2025, showing receipt of the same by the addressee dated 15/9/2025. Next para, in view of above, writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondents to consider the case of the petitioner in terms of the recommendation made by the DLC and as per the norms for compassionate appointment. The communication dated 11/9/2025 shall be retained in the record and marked as X for identification. Okay.
Item 8, Lordship. DLC page 29 relevant.
Serial
Start from
number?
Page 20. Serial number 3, Lordship. Top,
Date of DLC same.
yes. Same DLC.
Serial number.
Serial number 3, Lordship.
What is the name?
Nazrul Islam.
Can't read. It's all.
The earlier
It's not
proposal,
legible.
yes,
What do you mean? Yes, you should have given a type copy. Hmm? Okay. Then, what is the remarks?
the earlier proposal was placed before the DLC meeting held on 22/8/16 and rejected due to non-availability of 5% reservation post under compassionate ground. Accordingly, the DO Dorong has submitted the vacancy position of the post in the meeting and decided to refer to the GOV for consideration and necessary action.
Okay, similar order. Similar order. Miss Kaur is not very happy, seems. Now you write one more thing here. Earlier DLC is dated 22/6/2016. Then the DLC, what is the DLC of?
DLC start from page 28.
No, DLC of which district?
Dorong district, same district,
Oh, district, okay. Same district, Darang Mangalde.
Dorong Mangalda.
And petition is at serial number 3 in the DLC. And I think the rest is same. One more difference is there. The last part. Application date is 15 only. And receive on 15. You'll find it here, okay? A copy is so and so X.
1, 2, 3, 4. Control.
Obviously.
Okay.
May please your lordship. I was engaged by the respondent authority in 2010 on as a guest instructor. And since then, against the vacant post in chemical engineering of Assam Engineering College. Till,
You work for 15 years.
yes,
Why they don't want you now?
I am
You have done something wrong.
now I am 47 years.
Why they have done away with your
Without they passed the impugn order without cause or notice. I have necessary qualification for the said post. The said post is still vacant. And the principal of the engineering college issued a letter to the director of the higher education for filling up a said vacant post. Page number 26. Recently, the owner
Your appointment is at page 16,
appointment is page 16.
16 in the year 2010.
Yes.
Now they want to fill it up on regular basis.
Uh,
You are guest instructor only.
yes,
You have worked for about 15 years.
15 years.
Now they want to advertise.
Lordship, page number 26. They have not still not published any advertisement.
What is this? Mohanlal Das. Who is he?
Lordship, he already he was a senior instructor. He already retired.
Correct. So he's a regular appointee.
Yes,
Regular appointee and he has retired.
retired.
So against his retired vacancy, the advertisement is issued.
Yes,
As for you, you are appointed on as a guest instructor.
guest instructor.
There's no post as guest instructor.
There is no
Then?
against
What is your right?
against the said vacant post. There is another letter, page number 25.
Yes, 25.
Last paragraph. I would therefore like to request you kindly to arrange priorities filling up the vacant post of junior instructor having chemical engineering background. I have a diploma in chemical engineering with first class. The respondent authority cannot release me without cause or notice, as I was engaged on daily wage
Ye-
basis.
No, you come to page 16.
Yes,
See the term of your engagement. You are engaged for a period of 3 months.
3 months, but
You are extended from time to time.
time to time.
So now you also apply for this post. What direction can be given? This vacancy, which is supposed to be filled up, you also apply.
Lordship, recently Honorable Supreme Court held for regularization of daily wages. I am furnishing it.
You are seeking regularization where? As what?
Lordship,
You are seeking regularization in what post?
in junior instructor,
Junior instructor.
yes. I am eligible for the said post also. I have sufficient qualifications. Yes, I was engaged in the said vacant post also, against the said vacant.
On what basis? After selection?
No, Lordship, yes.
Then?
There is a vacant post is laying. Vacant,
Post is lying vacant. They said, come, you occupy the post. Tomorrow they say, no, you go. And you said you should be regularized.
Yes,
Any process of selection? So on what basis you are claiming?
Lordship,
Because you have served for 15 years and you have the qualification.
Yes.
In that case, you also apply for the post.
Lordship, I have still I have no age for applying a new post.
You have no,
No age limit. I have crossed the age limit.
you apply for what do you call age relaxation. Is it possible to, how much, what is your year? How old
47
are you?
years. Now I am 47 years.
47 years.
Yes.
And state government has a
Yes,
policy for relaxation. Keeping into mind that he has served for about 15 years,
Further,
you can apply for relaxation. They will consider it.
further, there is many judgments also of this Honorable High Court and guideline of the government to pay minimum pay scale until till superannuation.
But you are already not working now. You should have come to the court. Order was issued when? On 18/8. You have been released on 18/8.
Yes. Before that, I had filed an application on 24/7/2025. Page number 22. But the respondent authority did not consider. I am entitled either minimum pay scale or regularization. But they cannot release me from my service. Except on the ground of disciplinary or criminal.
Your prayer is to continue as junior instructor,
Yes.
part-time, not regular, part-time. You want to be in part-time. I would request you to kindly continue me as junior instructor part-time in chemical engineering department till age of 60 years.
But
I want to point out this.
but
No, he's very honest. He said, I'm already very old, so allow me to continue till 60 years.
Lordship,
So 13 more years to go. You are 47 now.
47 now.
Lordship, before vacation, Lordship, is coming, Lordship, notice. What more?
Or can we dispose it off? Asking, you apply for the post with one application for age condonation.
Notice, I think, not advertised, I think.
No, as and when it is advertised, he will also apply and
Yes, Lordship.
taking into account his experience of 15 years, the authorities may consider relaxation of his age. I'll observe that.
But,
You apply.
But as per my service,
If you don't want that, we'll just issue notice. That's all.
no, I am entitled at least minimum pay scale till the age of 60.
First of all, you get something. You cannot get everything in one basket. Get something here and there, then ultimately you make a prayer.
Yes, this Honorable High Court also passed a judgment.
Claim notice
At least-
also, Lordship.
Notice. Heard Mr. S. Burman, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner, after being engaged for 15 long years as part-time instructor in the Assam Engineering College, Guwahati, has been released with effect from 31/5/2025. With release order dated 18/8/2025. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the respondent authorities are contemplating to fill up one vacant post of junior instructor caused by retirement of the incumbent on 31/12/2022. Next para. Weeks.
Till then I may continue.
How will you continue? You have been released. And have you seen how you have been released? You have been released retrospectively from the month of May.
Yes, but on that day, till the impugned order I was working.
We'll examine that. Also issue notice on the interim prayer.
I am working more than 10 years. So I am entitled at least.
Not more than 10 years, 15 years you're working.
Yes.
There's no dispute about that.
uh,
But what right do you have? You are engaged only on part-time.
On daily basis, daily wage basis. So I am entitled to at least minimum pay scale.
Mr.
As Bhuya,
S. Bhuya, learned
sitting a higher.
Standing Council, SC Higher Education, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers.
1, 3 and 4.
4 also,
Oh, yes,
principal,
principal is a government.
1, 3 and 4.
Oh, yes.
RM Barua, SC Finance for respondent number 2.
Okay, but till then, does it was make it vacant?
Hmm. There is no advertisement also, we don't know. If something comes up,
That-
it's up to you, you
That
can
the
take reports.
respondent has initiated the process, they may publish advertise also.
Once they publish, you come again by filing appropriate application. At this stage, we will not say, we will not make a blanket order like that, don't do and all that. When the time comes, you know what to do. I keep this inside. Anyone? None appears for the petition when the matter is called is taken after the vacation. 9.
Pass over for the timing, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, Honorary Council, Mr. Economic legs in another court, Lordship. Item 27 also there, Lordship, in supplementary list, motion.
You make the mention when it's called. 9, okay, passed over. Time being.
Dear Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This matter relates to appointment on compassionate ground, my lord.
Mm.
This petitioner approached this honorable once.
Where's the order?
My. Case 57.
Sorry?
Case 57.
57.
Page 60 will be relevant page, my lord.
Please read.
My lord, upon setting aside the rejection of SLC, the matter stands remanded back to SLC to be placed before the next available SLC, considering the recommendation made by the DLC in favor of the petition on its true merit and not on the extraneous technical grounds as sought to be made. My case, my lord, DLC recommended that SLC rejected, then I approach, and this order has been passed by this honorable court. Thereafter, my lord, I submitted representation with my order before the chief secretary, that is page 61.
Then?
Then, my lord, it has not been considered. It is pending. Now, in the meantime, new, my lord, notification office memorandum has come. And they're taking the plea.
Ms. D. Burman, what do you say?
Yes, Lordship. In this case, also, I think he has not applied for as per that notice, Lordship. 38 of Lordship.
No, application is one thing,
Yes, Lordship.
but there's a specific order from this court to reconsider.
Yes, Lordship.
So can you say that this office memorandum will cover the case? It was prior to this, prior to the OM.
But Lordship, as per that notice, Lordship, then the cases, Lordship, that are the disposed of by the Honorable Court, Lordship, that is, Lordship, they have taken into consideration, Lordship. 38 of 2025, Lordship, it is clearly stated, Lordship.
No, this stands at a different footing,
Yes, Lordship.
from what I understand.
Yes.
See, in other cases, of course, OM has come, they have challenged OM. So whatever cases was pending as on that date, challenging the OM, court with the agreement of the parties, say that government will consider. Government then publish the notice, giving the last date as 15 something. That is one thing, but this is a case wherein the SLC rejected. The court said that the rejection is not right, reconsider again. And this was passed in November 23rd of 2023. OM only came in September 2024. So that span of time he should have been considered. And there was no time frame.
Lordship, the order is there, Lordship, to consider, Lordship.
Huh?
So, Lordship, they may, accelerated, they may file a contempt, Lordship, if they are not considered, Lordship.
No, they could have filed contempt, but
Yes.
they have not filed contempt. Even then,
Subsequent,
why should we not direct the SLC even at this stage? Because this order stands unless you file an appeal, rightly or wrongly, this order stands. I'll dispose it of in that with observation. Hard, Mr.
And Hawk willing.
N. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that this is the second time the petitioner is before this court seeking consideration for appointment on compassionate basis on account of on account of who has died?
Father.
Father, having expired, having having expired while in service on
11/11/2016.
11/11/2016. Stop. The case of the petitioner was duly considered by the DLC and put up DLC. Which DLC?
DLC by
District.
Kachar in
Which
meeting-
district?
Kachar district, my lord,
DLC Kachar.
on 2/2/2022.
On 2/2/2022. And upon such consideration, the petitioner's case was recommended to be placed before the state level committee, bracket S. Stop. The SLC, which met on
On 26/8.
26/8/2022. Can you just read this? What is in the box?
My lord,
Page 59.
59. As the candidate applied after 1 year, he is rejected due to non-availability of norms as per office memorandum dated so and so dated 1/6.
Then what they say? However, rejected the case of the petitioner. Stop. Aggrieved, comma, the petitioner filed WPC number 6768 of 2022. And this court-wide order dated 23/11/2023 found the reason for rejecting the case of the petitioner by the SLC to be not acceptable and therefore set aside the rejection with a further direction to the SLC to reconsider the case of the petitioner on merit and not on extraneous and technical grounds. Did I give you the date? White order dated 23/11. Stop. The petitioner then submitted copy of the order before the Chief Secretary from Chairman of the SLC on 30/11/2023, which was received by the State Authority, by the Office of the State Authority on the same day. Stop. Despite the same, the case of the petitioner has not been considered, and therefore the petition is before this court once again. Next para, Ms. D.D. Burma, learned additional senior government advocate, submits that the state government, in the meantime, has come up with office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, which provides that compassionate appointment shall henceforth be stopped in view of the introduction of the compassionate family pension scheme. Stop. The said memorandum, office memorandum, was put to challenge by a number of persons seeking compassionate appointment. And all the writ petitions were disposed of by a common order dated 3/4/2025, with the lead case being WPC number 342 of 2025. By directing the respondent authorities to consider all pending cases in terms of the relevant policy and guidelines of the state government for compassionate appointment. Stop. She submits that in terms of the said direction, and notice was issued by the state government in the personal department on 30/38/2025, requiring all such similarly situated persons to submit their particulars and other details by 15/9/2025. Stop. Such being the position, the petitioner ought to have submitted her application as well, along with all other relevant documents in support of our claim for compassionate appointment. Stop. The same having not been done, it would not be possible for the respondent to consider her case at this stage. Stop. Next para. However, it may be seen that the petitioner had approached this court through WPC number 6768/2022 against the rejection of our case by the SLC. And this court, by order dated 23/11/2023, had interfered with the rejection made by the SLC with the direction to reconsider the case of the petitioner. Stop. The said order admittedly has not been admittedly stands as on today. Stop. Therefore, the case of the petitioner appears to be distinct from all other cases which had been taken care of by this court in WPC number 342 of 2025. Right, common order dated 3/4/2025. Stop. Next para. Thus, under the circumstance, under the facts and circumstance, this court is of the view that the case of the petitioner has to be considered by the SLC in terms of the order dated 23/11/2023. Accordingly, the respondents are directed to place the matter before the SLC.
If it is already not placed, Lordship. Instruction, Lordship, whether it-
To place the case of the petition before the SLC, if not already placed in the meantime, for consideration in terms of the order dated 23/11/2023. The petition stands disposed of.
My lord, please.
Yes.
We were 12 petitioners. We were working as headmaster ME school before. The ME school were amalgamated with the neighboring high school.
Hmm.
So, appointment, I am giving a appointment letter in page 21 in Annexure 1. Serial 10.
Serial 10.
Serial 10.
Hmm.
Lokheswar Borua.
Yes.
So like this, all these 12 have an appointment letter as headmaster, assistant headmaster in different high school. So their scale has been upgraded from PB2 to PB3 as per ROP 2017 and government order at page 46. Page 46, Annexure 13. Headmaster ME school was PB2, 1400 to 60,500, GP was 8,700. Then assistant headmaster high school, this is PB3, 22,000 to 97,000 plus GP 9,400. So after this order, the last order was received from the Special Commissioner Secondary Education. Page 116, last page, my lord. Annexure 43. The pay scale of the headmasters of Erstwhile ME school and now serving as assistant headmaster of the amalgamated high school may be allowed PB3 22,000 to 97,000 plus GP 9,400. This is the approved rate. So this letter has come on 21st March 2022. So from 1st March 2022, their pay have been revised in the upgraded scale and they are getting. But before that, from 1/1/2018, from the date of amalgamation and their assumption in the higher post, they are not getting the arrear up to 28 February 2022. My relief is only to get the arrears.
What is the period?
From 1/1/2022 or 2018, 1/1/2018 to 28 to 2022.
Area in the pay band 3.
Yes, my lord.
Great pay of 9,400.
Yes, my lord.
You have been given only from
From
month of March.
March 22.
And amalgamation happened on which year?
My lord.
Amalgamation
In from
2018.
18.
So on amalgamation, earlier, what were you? Earlier,
Earlier,
yes.
earlier it was PB2.
No, what was the school? What was the school?
School in different school.
No,
So,
high school,
can
I
you
mean,
see-
which level? Which level?
Kindly see one Page 58, my lord.
No, amalgamation happened between which school and which school?
Here in first, annexure 1, you kindly go through. Annexure 1, page 21.
Yes, it's
One.
here. I'm seeing it.
Yeah.
Amalgamation of
this-
which school with which school?
Name of the high school is Born Naharoni High School, DISC code. Acha. And ME school was Born Naharoni ME school.
You are from ME school.
I am from ME school.
You are from ME school.
Yes, ma'am.
Your school has been amalgamated with high school.
High school, Born
And
Naharoni
so
school.
upon amalgamation, you are the assistant headmaster
Yes, my lord.
and you should be getting this pay band free
PV
from the date of amalgamation.
Yes, my lord.
They are giving only from March.
From March
2022.
Yes, my lord.
So, what is the basis of your right for that pay band?
From the amalgamation, from the date of amalgamation, and my assumption in the post of assistant headmaster, I should get the pay.
Earlier, what were you? Teacher?
Assistant headmaster.
Assistant
ME
headmaster in ME school.
ME school in pay band 2, in PB2.
On amalgamation also, you are assistant headmaster, but of the amalgamated
No.
school.
Before amalgamation, I was headmaster in ME school.
Oh, you were headmaster?
Headmaster.
ME school.
Yes.
On amalgamation, you became assistant headmaster
Assistant headmaster in the high school.
of the high school. So, accordingly, you should also be getting that pay band
Yes, my lord.
because now it's a high school.
High school.
But you are teaching what?
I am
You are teaching ME school standard.
no, in amalgamated school, I can teach in the high school also.
I can teach. What
Yes.
is your qualification?
Qualification graduate.
Graduate with training, B.Ed.
Yes.
Headmaster requires B.Ed, isn't it?
B.Ed.
Yes,
Yes.
What is your take on this, Mr. Chisti?
No, Lordship, my first take on Lordship. Look at
See, there are many other cases also.
No, even the.
I'm asking generally.
Yes.
After amalgamation, the lower school was getting certain pay scale, higher school was getting some certain pay scale. On amalgamation, their pay, the lower school gets the pay of the.
Only the headmaster of the ME school has become the assistant headmaster of the high school. Now, other teachers are not Lordship. Only the headmaster of the ME school, after amalgamation, he has been absorbed as an assistant headmaster of the high school, Lordship.
Okay, then what about the teachers?
Teachers, they remain as assistant
As
teachers,
it
Lordship.
is.
Assistant teacher of the
Yes.
of the
High school.
not high school of the amalgamated high school, but teaching in the ME standard.
Here, my preliminary objection is that Lordship, the petitioners are from different district Lordship. They have culminated the Lordship in a single petition Lordship. Where the petitioner number 1, he was Lordship amalgamated in the year 2018. They have not annexed the amalgamation order of other petitioners Lordship. And Lordship, they are from different districts, Kamrup, North Lakhimpur, Boyagaon, Rongia, Boyagaon, Lakhimpur, Dhokakana Lordship. And they have culminated it in a single petition Lordship.
The petition is single, but I have given the appointment letter of different.
Look at the response,
For
Lordship.
12 appointment letters, everything.
Turn to
12.
page 6, Lordship. Now, how they have the respondent, the commissioner Kamrup, how the address was made, Lordship. This is not the right way to add the respondent in the repetition, Lordship.
Page 6.
Page 6, Lordship, kindly see. The respondent 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's no address, nothing, Lordship, only inspector school, Boyagaon, so and so, commissioner, what commissioner, Lordship? Commissioner Kamrup, Amingaon.
No, I have, this is district
There
commissioner.
should have been an
District
proper
commissioner.
address and nomenclature of the post, Lordship.
মই এইটো শুদ্ধ কৰিছো দেই
No, আমাৰ ইয়াত
শুদ্ধ
নাই।
হোৱা নাই তাৰপিছত এইটো অবজেকশ্যন আছিল এইটো শুদ্ধ কৰি দিছো আপুনি
Oh,
কপি
we have not given
yes
that
yes
copy,
I
Lordship.
have corrected this.
So corrected copy not given to you.
Yes, my
You
lord.
give him a corrected copy.
Yes, my lord. I shall give him the corrected copy.
Now this amalgamation order at page 21.
This is regarding petition number 1 only. Not others, Lordship. At
Yes,
serial number 10 is a Lokeshwar Borua is a petition number 1.
Petition
Yes.
number 1.
What about the others?
Others, there it is, my lord.
And next.
I have given the list in page, this is 11. See,
No,
Yes.
list is one thing. Annexure is not there.
annexure all 12 have a, all this thing. In case of Lokeshwar Borua and others also, I have given annexed here.
Where is that?
Acha. In 11, and it is there, Lokeshwar Borua 1, then Munindra Thakuria 2, That-
Where?
all this
Page number?
page number. This is annexure 2, this is Lokeshwar Borua. 23, 21, this is Lokeshwar Borua. Then, in the same petition, there is page number 2, annexure 2, Lokeshwar Borua. Then Puspanjali Kaur from one district, all they have. Puspanjali Kaur and
All the orders are annexed.
all the orders are annexed, my lord.
No, this annexure 2, page 23 is regarding receipt of grade pay, not amalgamation lawsuit. Amalgamation order is only page 21, annexure 1 of the, so far as petition number 1 is concerned. Not
One
others.
is concerned, yes.
And annexure 2 is a different lawsuit. It is regarding payment of grade pay lawsuit, receiving of grade pay. In the year 2021.
Then in annexure 3, page 26, this is regarding Munindra Thakuria.
Now they are claiming area salary, they should have come individually lawsuit.
This is a common cause. And the relief also common. So it is in one single petition I have that.
The next 3 is what?
Annexure 3 regarding Munindra Thakuria.
This is also,
This again.
This is also regarding receiving of grade pay lawsuit.
this is great pay.
Yes,
Yes.
not an amalgamation order.
Amalgamation also order is there. Same in the same. This is here. Then annexure 5. Then in 28, it is Ramesh Chandra Bharali, 28A. Page number 28A.
Because amalgamation was done in every district in different lawsuit. This is the annexure 2 lawsuit, this is annexure 1. Is regarding the amalgamation in the Lakhimpur district only. The only amalgamation order they have annexed in page 21, annexure 1. This is regarding petition number 1, and it is from the district Lakhimpur only.
Lakhimpur.
And there are petitioners from other district lawsuits.
Then in
From several districts they
annexure
have
4, page number 28, this is in Kamrup district.
This is regarding
Come
receipt of grade
R.
pay, not amalgamation. This is not an amalgamation order.
Amalgamation order also there. In a single. Huh?
You have the amalgamation order. You,
Yes, my lord, I have.
you annex it by filing an additional affidavit. Will issue notice.
All they have.
Let them file
amalgamation
additional
order.
affidavit.
But they shouldn't have clubbed all the petition in a single petition lawsuit. The area salary of the
No.
person, they will get a different lawsuit.
No, area would be, area he says is common.
Come
From
on.
1/1/2018 to 2022. In grade, in what do you call this? In pay band 3. Please write hard, mister.
That will only come
B.Ed
to know only
Sharma.
when they enact the amalgamation order with the other district lawsuit. Because so petitioner number 1, amalgamation order issued on 2018. What about the others lawsuit?
No, that's why I'm directing to file an additional affidavit to incorporate. Hard, Mr. D.N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners. Submits that the grievances of the 12 petitioners is that after the amalgamation of their respective schools, which were initially ME schools, along with the high school concerned, they are entitled to receive their salary in PB3 22,000 -97, 000. That is 97,000 plus GP 9400. From the date of the amalgamation. Up to 28/2/2022. However, the petitioners have only been paid the said grade pay with effect from the month of March 2022. Did you approach the authorities? Any representation?
My lord,
Any representation?
representation was
No,
sent from the association. So this is there with me, but I have not annexed it.
Although the learned counsel submits that although a representation was made through the service association, but the petitioners have not individually submitted their representation.
This is representation that is 10 January 2024. This is.
In view of
Right.
above issue notice, a motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. S.M. Chichisti, learned standing counsel, higher education,
Secondary.
secondary education, accepts notice on behalf of
Respondent 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, two
Up to
is finance.
1, 3,
Respondent numbers 1, 3,
7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10. Ms. Saram Barua, SC Finance for respondent numbers 2, 11 to 15. Anyone remains?
No.
Notice is therefore
Oh,
complete.
yes, the government is there, let's say 4 and 5.
Oh,
Government is there.
But
Is that-
they have not, what are deputy commissioner correct কইলে না এগুলো?
এইবিলাক কৰিছো।
Oh.
এই যে কৰিছো।
Ms. Escobar for respondent numbers 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay.
4, 5, and 6.
না না correct কইলে, correct কইলে।
The notice is therefore complete. Petitioner shall serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsels who are appearing for the respondents. Which should be with the corrected cost title, which is said to have been corrected subsequently, correction of which has been said to have been made subsequently within 3 days. The petitioner shall also file an additional affidavit incorporating the amalgamation of the school in which the petitioner numbers 2 to 12 are working. Okay. This again after 4
Maintenance of
weeks.
this writ petition that may be kept open lawsuit. We will file an objection to this
Okay. Maintainability on what?
regarding clubbing of that.
But that's always open, you file.
No, I shall submit this amalgamation order separately in my additional affidavit.
May it please, your lordship. Petitioner approached earlier in this writ petition, lordship.
Compassionate.
Yes, hereafter recommended, lordship.
Hmm?
Petitioner approached earlier before this court.
Where is the order?
Page
21.
21, relevant page 22. Para 5.
Then DLC,
Thereafter DLC, lordship, page 32, lordship.
30.
32.
Hmm.
Small d.
Small d.
Small d, lordship. Abdur Rahim.
Read.
Applied for the post of assistant teacher LP, earlier compassionate ground, but the DLC in its meeting held on 16/9/2009 did not recommend his proposal without providing any valid reason. The said proposal was again perused in the light of the Honorable High Court direction in WBC number so and accordingly recommended the name of the applicant for the post of assistant teacher LP, subject to the availability of vacancy of 5% quota in his parent department on compassionate ground. Thereafter, Lordship page 34, District Elementary Education Officer forwarded the minutes of the meeting to the Director of Elementary Education and copy to the Commissioner Secretary, Government of Assam, Department of School Education, Lordship.
Have you submitted your details
Yes,
in this
Lordship.
case?
On 15, Lordship.
I don't understand, Lordship, if he has, Lordship, submitted the particular, then why he has approached this honorable court, Lordship? The government may take it their own decision, Lordship. No order is required, Lordship.
She's right. Why are you coming before the court?
Lordship, as per notice, Lordship,
No, Lordship.
he has not challenged the OM, Lordship. That's
No.
why. Page 44, Lordship.
So to cure that lacuna.
They have not considered, Lordship, if petitioner have not challenged the OM, Lordship.
At this time, Lordship.
They have not
it's
considered.
notice, Lordship. Or the government may take decision. Lordship.
Earlier in the matter, we had disposed of similar matters.
Yes.
But it is like-
Hmm.
But the government has already, Lordship, taken a decision, Lordship, to place entire, Lordship, that.
So let the government take a decision.
As far
We're not
as
saying
the
anything.
government- Yes, Lordship.
Alright, Mr.
N. Hussain.
N. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that this is the second time the petition is before this court. Stop the earlier writ petition being WPC number 6333/2023 was disposed of by order dated 11/12/2023 by directing the district level committee, Dhubri, to reconsider the case of the petitioner for compassionate appointment after setting aside the DLC minutes dated 16/9/2009. No, what did I say? Okay, that's okay. Stop person there too, the DLC Dhubri, which met on 22/5/2024, recommended the case of the petitioner to be placed before the state level committee, SLC. Stop accordingly. The meeting minutes was forwarded by the District Elementary Education Officer, Dhubri, to the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, with a copy to the Commissioner Secretary, School Education Department, on 7/9/2024. So despite the same, the case of the petitioner not having been considered, the petition is before this court. Next para, the learned counsel submits that the state government had come up with an office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, by which it was provided that the compassionate compassionate appointment scheme would be henceforth stopped in view of the introduction of the compassionate family pension scheme. The office memorandum, however, was challenged by a number of persons similarly situated. And all the writ petitions were disposed of by a common order dated 3/4/2025, with the lead case being WPC number 342 of 2025. By directing the respondent authorities to consider all pending cases in terms of the scheme formulated by the government. In terms of the order passed by this court, a notice has been issued by the personnel department on 38 is it? 2025, requiring all persons claiming compassionate appointment and whose cases were pending to submit their particulars on or before 15th of September, 15/9/2025. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner has also submitted his particulars. When?
On 15/9.
On 15/9/2025. You have a copy? The seal is there? Seal?
Lordship.
And which was also received by the addressee. That is the Secretary of Government of Assam, Personnel Department, on the same day. Stop considering the above position. The respondent parties to consider the case of the petitioner by placing his case before the SLC, if not already done, in terms of the recommendation made by the DLC. Copy of the order, copy of the application submitted by the petitioner dated 15/9/2025 is annexed here with, is retained in the record and marked as annexed as X for identification. Ms. Barman, anything else? With the above observation and direction, the petition stands disposed of.
Lordship.
My pleasure, Lordship. In this case, my lord, the petitioner retired from service on 30/3/06/2024. Now, when the petitioner was promoted to the post of headmaster of Rangoti East Rangoti MU School, my lord, the fixation of pay scale was wrongly made, my lord. Your lordship, on Annexure 2, page 15. Page 15. This statement was later on made, my lord. Prior to that, your lordship may look into the Annexure 4, that is page 18. This was detected when pension paper was considered, my lord. May I read, my lord? Please find here with the action details of pension case mentioned above, who is showing objection regarding fixation of error as on 1/7/15 as raised by the Director of Pension Assam via so and so. You are therefore requested to re-verify the fixation oblique pay entry and acquittance roll and to take necessary arrangement for calculation of short oblique excess drawal through due and drawn statement and to take necessary action as per government notification number so and so, so and so, so and so. Now, in the meantime, I have already retired from service. When this letter is in process, my lord, I have retired from service on 30/6/2024. I have already superannuated from the post of headmaster, man. Now, the excess dual statement has been made, that is page 15.
Excess drawal started from which time? From which
This-
period?
Yeah, that is from 1/7/2015 to till my retirement.
1/7/15 till 1/1/24.
Yes, my lord, there is 1/1/24.
You retired on 36.
36, my lord. Yes, sorry, 36. So it was detected, my lord, it's after my retirement, my lord. The statement has been made after my retirement.
So recovery is up till what? Only 1/1/24.
1/1/24.
Then what about the remaining?
Now remaining is in the correct form.
Correct form since when? February?
Yes, February.
From February 24
February 24 to till my retirement.
is correct.
Correct.
But up till 1/1/24,
Yes.
starting from 1/7/15,
1/7/15.
excess drawal.
There is some excess drawal.
How much is the excess drawal?
2 lakhs. That has been recovered from me, my lord.
Recovered already.
Already recovered. So which cannot, my lord. So I have come by this writ petition, my lord. That is recovered. Your lordship will find page annexure 5. Annexure 5. They have recovered from me by the the elementary education officers. So, my lord, to refund for refunding of this amount, my lord, I have filed this plea.
Yes,
This,
Mr.
this
Speaker.
cannot be done, man.
What do you say?
Well, notice may be issued first.
Notice.
We have to verify.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
This in
D. Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner is aggrieved with the recovery of rupees 203,725 from him on ground of excess drawal due to wrong fixation of pay for the period with effect from 1/7/25. I'm sorry, 1/7/2015
15 to 1/1/24.
1/1/2024. Stop. The petitioner submits that the petitioner has already retired from service on 36/2024. And such recovery will not be permissible in view of the decision rendered by the apex court.
As well as even the state office memorandum, which they have mentioned in the impugned letter, my lord, that is 27/1/22. That also, that OM also says, no, you cannot.
Where is that?
One headmaster is the head of institution. So how can a headmaster did not know
In view of
about
the-
these payments?
In view of the government notification dated 27/1/2022.
Huh?
Even this office memorandum also says you cannot, my lord. But I will, my lord, let them file.
Issue notice, returnable for weeks. Petitioner, Ms. A. Fukan, learned. Standing counsel,
Yes, ma'am. Elementary.
elementary accepts notice on behalf of
1, 4, 6 and 7.
1, 4, 6 and 7. Adam Barua for 3 and 4. Adam Barua for 2 and
3 and 5.
finance, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Ms. D. Burman, the additional senior government advocate for 3 and 5. Notice is complete. Petitioner to serve requisite copies. This stuff again after 4 weeks.
Just for the endeavor, or
No,
it shall not be a bar to consider the case of that petitioner. It shall not be a bar to consider the case of that petitioner, because office memorandum is there.
Pendency shall not be a bar for the respondents to mitigate the grievance of the petitioner.
Alright.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the respondent number 9, the instant writ petition, Lordship, she earlier approached this honorable court and filed application number 1694 of 2023, claiming, Lordship, for compassionate family pension.
Where's the order?
That Lordship will order will find at page 30. It starts from page 38. Lordship, this was disposed of on 22 February 2024. Lordship, kindly come to relevant paragraph number 6 at page 42. What was the claim of the petitioner in that particular writ petition? And ultimately, Lordship, that it will disposed of with direction. Page 42, paragraph 6. May I read, Lordship?
Read.
The respondent number 11, the petitioner, has also filed an affidavit stating that she is the wife of late so-and-so, and out of their marriage, a son has been born, who is certified to be a person having congenital dysphagia with mentally retarded, and he has been assessed with 50% permanent disability by the competent authority who had issued the disability certificate. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 11 fairly submits that there is no dispute that the respondent number 11 is the second wife of, say, so-and-so. It is submitted that same has also been mentioned in the application submitted before Deputy Commissioner Morrigaon. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 11 that she is not claiming any benefit for herself, but for the disabled son who is entitled in law to his share of the family pension. Now, Lordship, kindly come to next 11 paragraph. Paragraph number 12. What was that rule, Lordship? Paragraph 12, page 45. This was amended in 2017, page 45.
Yes.
The amended of Rule 143. As per this, Lordship, clause A, Lordship, 2A, the disability of son, daughter, which manifests itself before or after retirement, oblique death of the government servant, whichever the case may be, shall be taken into account for the purpose of grant of lifetime family pension. Here, Lordship, in this writ petition, Lordship, one of my prayer is, Lordship, lifetime family pension in view of rule of 143C2. And secondly, the proportionate share, Lordship. Now, Lordship, kindly see the final direction, Lordship. Paragraph 16. On page 49. Under such circumstances, without causing any further delay, this court, under the powers of Articles 226 of the Constitution of India, issues a mandamus to the respondent Education Department, more particularly the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Elementary Education Department, that's for number 1, to forthwith call for all necessary papers from any subordinate offices as may be necessary, and process the claims of family pension of the petitioner without waiting for the next of kin certificate in view of the categorical abhorrence and submissions made by the Learned Counsel for the parties. More particular, this is important, more particularly the counsel for the respondent number 11 that she is indeed the second wife of late so-and-so, and she has staked the claim for a share of person, not for herself, but for her disabled son. The respondent authority will forthwith proceed with the proposal for claim of pension, and this is the direction is not followed, and make necessary inquiries from the competent department to verify the claims of the respondent number 11 as regards her submission that her son was born out of her marriage with so-and-so, and respondent number 11 that he is a disabled child suffering from congenital dysphagia with mentally retarded and has been assessed with 50% permanent disability. The respondents will forthwith proceed to settle the claims of family pension and release the same in favor of the petitioner and other claim. Now, Lordship, my grievance is that, Lordship, after this order, Lordship, from the Director of Education, he returned to the Health Department to verify the certain documents. Lordship may have the typed copy at paragraph, sorry, page 52. 53, Lordship. It should be 53A. Annex 10, type copy. This was issued on 30th of July 2024. Subject is, Lordship, Honorable High Court's order dated so-and-so in connection with contempt case number so-and-so. So I am reading the relevant portion, the last paragraph. In this regard, it may be mentioned that the birth certificate has been issued by the Registrar of Birth and Death, Director of Health Services, Morrigaon, White Seal number so-and-so in respect of Ganesh Malo. That is the son, Lordship, retarded son. copy attached, and medical certificate issued by the medical and health officer Moregaon. This is the disability certificate. You are therefore requested to verify the authenticity of documents and submit report to this department at the earliest to enable to take further necessary action in compliance of Honorable Court's order. Now, Lordship, in compliance of this letter, Lordship, the Director of Health Services have verified the documents and submitted this report that Lordship will find at page 55 and excerpt 12. Verification of birth certificate and medical certificate. This was the subject. With reference to government letter number so-and-so, 37/2024, received on so-and-so, the two certificates bearing number so-and-so were verified by the undersigned and found to be valid as per existing records.
What is that verification
That the birth certificate as well as the disability certificate.
of the petitioner?
Yes, the petitioner.
Petitioner's son.
Petitioner's son, Lordship. Disabled son, since he is mentally retarded, so her mother, Lordship, is a filed Lordship as a guardian. Now, Lordship, without Lordship, the considering all these documents in terms of court's order, Lordship, the Director of Pension had issued the PPO, Lordship, pension order. That Lordship will find at page 58. This was finally issued on 20th of February 2025.
Issue notice.
No, Lordship, here, Lordship, my difficulties are already the respondent number 9. He received an amount of rupees 7 lakhs odd towards the payment of GIS and leave encashment benefit. So far my knowledge, Lordship, the DCRG is yet to be Lordship released. So, Lordship, there may be some
Any prayer?
Yes, yes. I have interim prayer, Lordship.
DCRG.
DCRG.
How much is it?
DCRG, Lordship, will calculate it is also more than 7 lakhs, Lordship. Lordship, I kindly see the prayer, Lordship.
7 lakhs.
Yes, Lordship.
So the other party has received 7 lakhs.
Already she received 7 lakhs.
So maybe they're reserving that 7 lakhs for you.
No. From that 7 lakh, Lordship, although I am as per law entitled, not a single penny is given to me till that. And secondly, Lordship,
The total benefit about 14 lakhs. 7 lakhs gone there, 7 lakhs still remaining. That will be for you.
No, Lordship. Since there is no such order, Lordship, the authority, since the PPU is issued in favor of the respondent number 9. So
But the disposal of this court or by the writ petition by this court was that
to verify
50%.
No, that 50% is my regarding my disability.
Only.
So ultimately, Lordship, direction was given to the competent authorities, that is the department, to verify these my certificates. So ultimately,
Then thereafter what?
Thereafter, Lordship, the health department has given the report.
No. Further direction is there or not? Shall proceed to settle the claim of the family pension and release the
Claim
same.
family pension and release the same in favor of the petitioner and any other claimant.
If
Any
permissible
other
in law.
claimant is me. That is the mother of the petitioner number 1. 2.
If permissible.
Yes, if permissible, but the law is itself said, Lordship, 143C.
Is it permissible?
Yes,
Let us see 143.
Lordship, kindly have the manual, Lordship. The Assam Services manual, Lordship.
It is abstracted somewhere here. I've seen it
Yes.
in 143.
In the judgment itself, we have said.
Yes, page 45.
Yes. The 2A, the disability of son, daughter which manifest itself before or after retirement oblique date, here also date of the government servant, whichever the case may be, shall be taken into account for the purpose of grant of lifetime family pension under the rule. So in other way, Lordship, this son is entitled for lifetime pension because of my disability. That is 143C2. And secondly, Lordship, this so far this share, the amount that released, that also I am entitled. But the authority has released the entire amount in favor of the respondent number 9. That is my case, Lordship. So now, Lordship, so far the DCRG amount and the arrear pension amount. This, Lordship, kindly see the pension order. This is issued.
Where the petitioner?
Lordship?
You were the petitioner in the earlier round.
No, I have the respondent number 11 in the earlier round of litigation.
11.
Yes.
What was the writ petition filed for?
For claiming compassionate family pension, the petitioner, the first wife, being the first wife, the respondent number 9 is the first wife of the deceased. She filed the earlier petition claiming for compassionate family pension. where was arrayed as a respondent number 11. Now, after considering this rule, this honorable court given direction to the respondent authorities, you verify, and if he is entitled, then release the amount in his favor. But ultimately, from the Director of Health Service who issued those certificates, they again verified and found to be genuine. So ultimately, the Lordship, without considering those report of the Health Service, the Director of Pension has finally issued the pension paper.
Okay, will issue notice.
Now, Lordship, so far the discharge
Anyone?
amount.
I
and the
understood. Anyone? Okay, heard, Mr.
Area Lordship.
Edeka, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has claimed 50% of the pensionary benefit for her disabled son, who have been duly certified by the competent authority to be disabled, to receive not to receive, competent authority. So the learned counsel submits that the petitioner is the second wife of late Govinda Chandra Malo, who expired on 21/11/2021. And the respondent number 9 is the first wife.
Yes.
Stop. The respondent number 9 filed WPC number 1694 of 2023, claiming compassionate family pension. And this court, by order dated 22/2/2024, disposed the writ petition by directing the respondent authorities to examine the claim of the
Petitioner.
present writ petitioner that her son is disabled with a percentage of 50% and therefore entitled to receive pension in terms of Rule 143 of the Assam Services Pension Rules 1969. Mr. The learned counsel submits that although verification was made in favor of the petitioner and her son, but the respondent authorities concerned have issued PPO to respondent number 9 on 20/2/2025 and has disbursed a sum of rupees 753,245
Yes.
towards GIS. What is LEB?
Yeah, LEB is leave encashment benefit.
Okay, GIS
group insurance.
from a leave encashment
Benefit.
as sanctioned by the District Elementary Education Officer, Morigaon, via order dated 21/8/2025. He submits that at present, according to the knowledge of the petitioner, the what is that?
DCRG.
Debt cum retirement
Yes,
gratuity
I've stated specifically.
is yet to be released. And pending disposal of the writ petition, the same may be put on hold
In-
and not released to the petitioner and not released to the respondent number 9.
In page 12, I have stated.
In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. S. Sutiel, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary.
1, 2, and 3, 3 and 4,
Notice except notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1,
2, 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Then is D.D. Burman for
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. And Mr. D. Upamania for respondent number 8. Petitioner to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsels appearing for the respondents today within 3 days. Stop petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 9 by registered post with AD within 3 days. List again after 4 weeks. In the interim, it is hereby provided that the respondent authorities shall not release the DCRG to the respondent number 9 till the next returnable date.
Deployable.
May I please, your lord?
Yes.
In this case, my lord, petitioner is a grade 4 employee, my lord. He was suspended, my lord. Your lordship will find page 1, my lord, page 11, my lord, annexure 1. By order dated 15/10/2018, my lord. He was suspended and subsistence allowance at the rate of 15% was allowed, my lord.
Today you have been reinstated,
No, my lord.
still under suspension.
Still under suspension, my lord.
And you are seeking what, the increase in the subsistence allowance?
My lord, and your lordship will find next page, my lord. Subsistence allowance was increased, my lord, to 75%, my lord. With effect from, my lord, type copy page,
Page?
page 13, my lord.
Yes.
With effect from 2/1/2019, my lord. But order was passed on 9th June, my lord. Now he is seeking arrear increased subsistence allowance, my lord. From the date of order, my lord, he was granted, my lord. From the date of 9th June, my lord. But it was with effect from 2/1/2019. That part has not been paid, my lord.
No, orders passed in 2020, but it says the rate will take effect from 2/1/19.
19, my lord.
So?
So, my lord, though increased subsistence allowance was granted, but granted from the date of 9th payment, actual payment was made from the date of 9th June 2020, my lord.
Not from 2/1/19.
Not from 2/1/19, my lord.
Okay, will issue notice. I heard Mr.
AHMR Chaudhary.
AHMR Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner, who is a grade 4 employee, was placed under suspension by order dated 15/10/2018 with effect from 2/10/2018 under Rule 6 bracket 1 bracket small a of the Assam Services bracket disciplinary and appeal close bracket rules, 1964. And was allowed to draw 50% subsistence allowance. Stop thereafter through order dated 9/6/2020. The petitioner was sanctioned 75% of the subsistence allowance with effect from 2/1/2019. But he has been paid the enhanced subsistence allowance only from 9/6/2020. Stop, aggrieve the petitioners before this court. Next para, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. Escobar, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, SC elementary, 1, 3, 4, and 5. Then RM Barua for respondent numbers 2 and 6. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7 by registered post with a review within 3 days, 3 working days. List again after 4 weeks. Pendency not a bar for the respondents to mitigate the grievances of the petitioner.
Obliged.
May it please, your lordships. My lord, in this case, my lord, the recruitment process started through an advertisement on 27/12/2023. It is a mass teachers case. Earlier, one case law came up before lordships, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, they have changed the rule, my lord.
How?
And lordship kindly come to page 38, my lord. some amendments have been made and prescription has been given to the mathematics teacher. They should have, my lord, physics, chemistry, or biology along with the minor subjects, my lord. Page 38, my lord. There are two notifications, my lord. We could not procure that notifications regarding, my lord, provincial schools. Only this notification is available. This is in respect of government schools, my lord. But both are same, my lord. Lordship, kindly see the amendment, my lord. Provided that
You're concerned with what?
we are concerned, we are mathematics, graduate mathematics in major, but we have well, other combinations, my lord. Other combinations, statistics, some has computer science, like that, my lord.
Okay.
Earlier
What is the post you applied for?
Graduate teacher mathematics, my lord.
Graduate teacher, mathematics.
At the
Okay.
time of advertisement, lordship, come to page 36, this OM was applicable. This OM says, my lord, last paragraph I am reading, my lord, after careful consideration of all aspects, the government have decided that henceforth, one of the science teachers in each high school, high madrasa should be science graduate with combination of physics, chemistry, and biology, and another should have combination of either physics, chemistry, mathematics, or economics, statistics, mathematics, or any combination having mathematics. My lord, we come under this economic statistics or any combination having mathematics, my lord. In the midway, my lord, they have changed the rule, my lord. Midway of the recruitment process, my lord.
Midway means recruitment started?
It started on 20, my lord, that is, my lord, at page, my lord, annexure 1, that is page 15, 27/12/2023, pro this advertisement.
Advertisement.
Once advertisement is issued, my lord, recruitment process has started. So at the time of
By
this
this advertisement,
my lord,
what was the requirement as per the advertisement?
Advertisement, my lord, there was a graduate teacher, that is, she will come that at criteria, space 17, criteria for selection of graduate teacher, arts, science, these are the teacher's eligibility, test come recruitment test, 140 marks in the following papers, NCCL, these are, my lord, general, my lord, normal requirements was there.
There was an addendum.
Addendum, yes, my lord. Addendum came after this amendment, my lord. Addendum came after this amendment, my lord. So we are not challenging the rule, my lord, amended rule. We are challenging on the applicability. Whether this amendment will apply on this advertisement, recruitment process, my lord. Addendum came on, my lord, that is at page 19, 16/10/2024.
What does it say here in addendum?
A graduate teacher, mathematics shall have graduation. That, my lord, amended part. They have made, my lord. Thereafter, an SOP came, my lord. Initially, we were accepted for processing, my lord. Lordship will come to page 34, my lord. Page 34 is the acceptance, my lord, letter. Subsequently, on 18th, my lord, subsequently in the, my lord, second week of, my lord, September, they were called for re-verification and their candidates is made on hold, my lord, due to mismatch of subject combination. Earlier also, my lord, some candidate, some approach, my lord. Lordship will.
How many petitioner? Only one?
No. Here we are 6 petitioners, my lord.
Oh, 6.
Earlier, Lordship has passed this order. So, my lord, in Tej Prakash Pathak and others, my lord, reported in 2025 to NCC 1, my lord, Supreme Court, my lord, clarified that the recruitment process for public post officially begins with the publication of the advertisement, my lord. And in the midway, my lord, once the process starts, eligibility criteria.
What is the position as on today?
My lord?
What is the position?
Position, my lord, now they are kept in hold, my lord, on 10th of October, my lord. Appointment will be issued, my lord, centrally, my lord. But no, our case is earlier, my lord.
So for the last advertisement was issued on 23, December 23. Thereafter, this amendment has come. Thereafter, the addendum was issued and the last.
Amendment, my lord, they have not, my lord, yet published, my lord, in the, my lord, official website, my lord. Gazetted, but, my lord, That is not, even my lord, not furnished to us.
Set of submission of online application was 2011-24. They have applied. At that time, they didn't object, Lordship. They have participated. Now they have come and challenged this, restriction.
Because, my lord,
November 2024 was the last date of.
my lord, amendment was not available till today, my lord. Till today, my lord, amendment is not available in their website, my lord.
The gathering notice is there, Lordship. Everybody knows. It's there, it is reflected. And even this, there is a repetition file selling this rule, because listed today the 6 for finally.
That is, we are not challenging the rule, my lord. We are on applicability of the rule, my lord, which is came after the commencement of the, my lord, recruitment process. So earlier your lordship has passed certain orders I have placed before lordship. And I rely on, my lord, this, my lord, Test Prakash, Pathak and others, my lord.
No, now, when are these matters to be listed for final consideration? 15th of October.
Then, my lord, 10th, my lord, they will, my lord, issue the, my lord, centrally issue the, my lord, appointment letters.
No, what has happened now? You are accepted for further proceedings.
Initially accepted, then subsequently hold, my lord, page 35.
35.
35, my lord, one of the candidates. All are on hold, my lord. So
On hold.
in the meantime, my lord, during the vacation periods, my lord.
They should have come, they have applied.
No, how we can come, lordship, kindly see 35 order is passed on 18-9.
Prior to the.
Lordship, come to the page 35 order, it is passed on 18-9-2025, my lord.
Which one? Which order?
Hold order, page 35 order, my lord.
Oh.
Lordship, kindly in the bottom, my lord, date and time, 18-9-2025, 18-23, 02 seconds.
That is because as per amendment, they were not, the subjects are not really, Lordship. That is separate issue.
No.
My lord, the acknowledgement received in 2023, December. Then the amendment came. It was gathered notified. It was widely published. Then Lordship addendum has come, and last date of thereafter Lordship that filing of online application was held on 21st of October 2024 till 28th of October, 28th of November 2024. They have submitted. They knew about the amendment. They have submitted. They have participated in the selection process. Lordship. Now at the fair again, they come and they raise this question when their case was.
No, when you kept us whole, then we have come. My lord, if it is widely circulated, my lord, let him show, my lord, let them show, my lord, whether it is published in the newspapers or other, my lords. Simply, my lord, publishing in the, my lord, gazetted, my lord, and keeping the same in their, my lord, office file is not widely wide publication, my lord. Still, my lord, I can, my lord, say, my lord, till right now, my lord, this amendment is not available in their website, my lord.
No, what?
And my lord, once my lord, recruitment process has started, Supreme Court says, my lord.
What do you say about this addendum? You are aware about this addendum?
Addendum, my lord, we have applied. Thereafter this addendum and all this will come, my lord.
Oh, that's why. When, see,
Yes, my lord. Addendum came, my lord, we know, my lord. But there was a rule, my lord, we cannot know. We were not aware of that, my lord.
Point number 1, graduation mathematics and graduation degree signed with honor and medal in mathematics, having physics, chemistry, biology, and passport copy. It is there. It is after the amendment. And what was last?
But maybe, my lord, this is after the amendment. But whether this amendment will apply in this case or not, my lord, that is our, my lord, case. My lord.
They applied.
Because at the time of, my lord, commencement of the recruitment process, my lord, the page, my lord, 36, my lord, office memorandum was applicable, my lord. So we are governed by this office memorandum, not by that, my lord, amendment, which was brought subsequently after commencement of the, my lord, recruitment process, my lord. That is our case, my lord. That is our case, my lord. And, my lord, this, my lord, page 38, it is not retrospective, my lord. It says these, they shall come into force from the date of publication in the official gazette, my lord. It has no retrospective effect on the earlier rule, my lord, earlier memorandum, my lord. Because since, my lord, our advertisement and recruitment process was.
see, advertisement and addendum is a part of the advertisement only.
No, that is subsequently, my lord.
Subsequent,
my lord.
definitely, addendum cannot be first published, then
Yes,
thereafter advertisement.
Yes, my lord.
published, but there was no date of lawsuit submission of application was fixed. It was lawsuit, it was only in the addendum, the last date of submission application was lawsuit incorporated in point one lawsuit, one two.
It appears that knowingly you have participated.
My lord, that is
Will-
true,
will-
but my lord, this addendum, by way of this addendum, and
Will issue
well,
notice.
this will apply, my lord. This will apply, my lord.
That will be considered the relevant time. Will issue
My-
notice.
my lord.
Heard, Mr. J.C. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioners who have applied for the post of graduate teacher in mathematics are aggrieved with the issuance of the notification dated 23/8/2024, by which a specific combination apart from major oblique honors in mathematics has been prescribed in order to be eligible for the post of graduate teacher in mathematics. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the same was not a prescription in terms of the advertisement floated on 27/12/2023. Stop. Since the recruitment has started from the date of the advertisement, from a subsequent change made by the respondents, excluding the consideration of the petitioners, is arbitrary and illegal. And therefore, the candidature of the petitioners in terms of the combination that they have as permissible by the notification issued by the state government in the secondary education department on 7/5/2014 should be applied to their case. Next, for in view of above, issue notice, motion returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. SMT Chisti, learned standing counsel, secondary education for 1 and 2. For all the respondents. Requisite extra copy be furnished to him. List again after 3 weeks.
My lord, apologies if any merit shall be subject to outcome of this writ petition. If it is allowed, my lord, ultimately, my lord, so.
Okay. Subject to outcome, huh? Any selection made?
Hmm.
The post of
Graduate teacher
graduate teacher in
mathematics.
mathematics in the meantime shall be subject to the outcome.
All of the cases, no such scrutiny.
No, in one cases that is there, man, 2 cases, my lord. I have placed before you.
This is good,
My
so
lord.
that you can
No,
tell
no,
the client
my lord.
also.
This
Subject
matter has
to-
to be, my lord, hard, man.
Otherwise, it's always there. See, once you come to the court, yes,
Matters.
this is,
Regarding compassion appointment, my lord.
what is this?
This is the third time, my lord, petitioner.
Part time, compassionate.
Compassion appointment, my lord.
So matter has spent its force.
But similar order, your lordship has passed, my.
Immediacy is no more there now, after third round. Let him submit. Petitioner's counsel. Yes, what is your case?
My lord, on 18/5/2020, no, my lord. Can I page 28, my lord?
Page
Page 58, my lord. Oh, my lord, page 28, my lord.
28.
You start from 26, my lord.
This is the first round.
The second round, my lord.
No, this page 26.
The second round it is, sir.
Where is the first round?
First one is my lord, page 22.
Annexed? Is it annexed?
My lord, I have annexed. Page 22, my lord.
Okay, let us go from there only. 22.
25 is our.
What was the direction? 22. How it
Consider
was-
assessment.
Dispose of the writ petition by directing responding to the refer the matter. What is the date? 7/2/2007.
Matter.
Name of the petitioner.
Didarul Haq.
Didarul Haq. Okay, then second round.
Second round. Page 26.
Why you had to come before second round? I mean, again,
They have not considered, my lord.
any mention about the earlier round? The first round was not mentioned. DLC Morrigan.
DHC Morgan. Now,
Then-
this notification has come. For the notifications.
Which notification?
My lord, on
OM,
15
an extra 3.
15 OM, my lord, 24, my lord. And even 25, my lord, notice.
Where?
Last, my lord, 59.
59.
Asked to, my lord, submit all the required documents, my lord. On or before 15, my lord.
Have you submitted?
I have submitted, page, my lord, 60.
If you submitted, then why the writ petition?
My lord, pay, my lord, due to, my lord, this office memorandum, my lord. Due to the office memorandum, my lord.
No. Please complete the sequence. First round you have shown me. Second round you have shown me.
My lord.
Then what happened after that?
After that, my lord, my candidacy has been rejected, my lord.
Where is the rejection?
Page 44.
41,
It started from 43,
44.
44, my lord.
The DLC minutes is what? Dated? 16/8/22.
My lord.
DLC Morrigan. Then your serial number?
8, my lord.
Okay, 8, yes.
My lord, application rejected due to the late submission, my lord.
Hmm. So against this you have come now.
My lord.
Late submission means? When did they expire? Father? 2001.
2001. My lord, in 2001, my lord, 2004, my lord, there is no, my lord, specific time limit, my lord, for submission of, my lord, within 1 year, my lord.
Specifically 26/11/2001, is it?
No, no. Submitted, my lord, on 24, 2000.
Submitted on
2/6/2024, or 2/6/04, my lord.
late submission.
Yes, submission.
So your application was rejected on account of late submission.
My lord.
Is it?
My lord.
Ms. Burman, what do you say? Person died in 2001. Application in 2004. Then court order, first round is on 2007. Nothing happened, so again he came again in 2022. Will issue notice, that's all. Heard, Mr.
A. Khanigar.
A. Khainikar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that this is the third time the petition is before this court. And grievances on the rejection of the application of the petitioner by the DLC Morrigan, which held its meeting on 16/8/2022 on grounds of late submission of application. In view of the, what is this OM dated? Not legible. In view of not required, okay. Late submission of so-and-so. Issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Miss D.D. Burman, Landed Government, Senior Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, and 5. Ms. Esquire for SC, elementary for 3N, 3 and 4. Petitioner to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsels applying for the respondents within 3 days. This is also
This is also
complex.
compulsory. Matter. Page 11, matter. This is the first round of litigation, matter. Page 11, man. Page 13, matter.
This is the second round.
Matter, this is second round. DLC was directed to reconsider the case of the petitioner. Matter. And after that, matter, DLC has considered matter and recommended the case of the petitioner. Matter. That is page 14.
DLC minutes dated 1/9/23.
1923, matter. Recommended. Matter.
Lakhimpur. Serial number
6, matter. After that, matter, SLC has not matter considered my case of the petition.
Yes.
No, no.
Huh?
He has not applied matter. He has not no knowledge matter.
He has not applied.
Matter. He has not applied.
So how to consider your case then? Will issue notice? Let them get instructions. Heard Mr. A. Khainikar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that this is the second time the petition is before this court. The first writ petition being WPC number 64 of 2023 was disposed of by order dated 21/8/2023 by directing the DLC Lakhimpur to consider the case of the petitioner for compassion appointment. To stop, he submits that in terms of the said direction, the DLC met on 1/9/2023 and recommended the case of the petitioner for consideration by the state level committee bracket SLC. Stop. However, despite the same, as the SLC has not considered the petitioner's case among the petitioners before this court, issue notice, so motion to turn over 4 weeks. Ms. D.D. Burman, learned senior government advocate for one. One, two, three, four, and five. Huh? Four also. Five also. One, two, three, four, and five. Ms. Escobar for respondent number 6.
And let's say educational.
Why home department?
No, no, education.
You want to be employed in police or what? Huh?
Copy paste matter.
Copy paste.
Copy paste matter.
You should be careful.
Sorry, my lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord.
So one not required. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ms. D.D. Burman, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Escobar 6. Extra copies within 3 days. List again after 4 weeks. You file the application to MP. That's up to you.
Deep level.
In this IA, we implement the response number 4, 5, and 6. They are the new incumbent to join their offices. Let's say it is.
Where are the names?
Let's say paragraph 5 is a Sri Narayan Kuwar IS Secretary Department Higher Education as a response number 4. Then para 6, Jointor Narlikar IS Commissioner Secretary Government of some Finance Department as a response number 5. And para 7, Srimati Pomi Boro SS Director of Higher Education Kalipura as a response number 6. These are para 5, 6, and 7. I haven't stated the name of the incumbent. And annexer
We'll
1.
allow it hard, Mr. A. Chhetri, learned counsel for the applicant who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks implement of the new incumbents occupying the post of Secretary
Higher Education
and
and
Commissioner and Secretary, Finance Department, and Director of Higher
Director of
Education
Higher Education.
as respondent numbers 4,
5, and
5, and 6. Staff, the learned counsel submits that implement is necessary for effective compliance of the court direction. Stop having perused the application and heard the learned counsel. The application for implement of the above for implement of
response number 4, 5, 6.
Respondent numbers 4, 5, and 6. As indicated in paragraph number 5, 6, and 7 of this application is hereby allowed. IA stands disposed of. The main contempt in view of the order passed today in ISC number 3211 of 2025. Allowing the implement of new respondent numbers 4, 5, and 6, the petitioner shall file the amended post title in 2 sets before the registry within
After 1 week, because it is now receiving vacation. That's after vacation. Or tomorrow onwards.
when is the office will be open?
13.
Only the vacation time will not be open. No, that is correct. Office will not be open.
So,
Will be open. And office.
reopening.
Court will not be there
Yes, yes.
except for the vacation court, but the office will be open.
Yes. Yes,
So you take steps within 1 week.
1 week. Yes.
We'll submit the same in 2 sets within 1 week.
26.
This the matter again. On reopening, on 13.
After falls.
Huh?
Because we have taken steps on that to the new incumbent notice.
You take steps, how? Why you'll take steps? Court has directed you to take steps.
No.
Then-
Because as a no, or as a normal procedure, if Lordship may allow my IA to, then I take step to respond of 4, 5, and 6.
No, I is allowed. You don't have to take steps. In the contempt, you'll have to take steps.
Yes.
But that, first
Yes,
of all,
contempt.
first of all, you file the amended cost
Yes, I
title.
understand.
After filing of the amended cost title, will issue notice.
Obvious.
This is the matter again on reopening after the puja vacation.
Obvious.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
In this case, what happened? There was a writ petition, your lordship. That writ petition was disposed of with a certain directions. So that direction was not complied with. We came up and we filed a contempt petitions. These applicants, your lordship. In this contempt application, these 3 applicants were not the petitioners. Somehow they missed their names in the contempt application. That contempt application number is 451 of 2020. Now thereafter, we filed an IA, that is 1386 of 2025 for insertion of our name in that case. But
As what?
as the applicants in the contempt petition,
Why?
because we are the petitioners in the writ petitions.
Then who filed the contempt petition then?
There were 23 petitioners, your lordship.
Ah.
Out of those 23 petitioners, 3 petitioners missed the bus. They could not file the contempt.
In the original writ petition,
Yes, your lordship.
originally there were 23 petitioners.
If I may draw your lordship's kind attention to the.
No, you have the figures with you.
Yes, yes,
Just tell
yes,
me.
yes.
How many writ petitioners?
There were 23 petitioners.
23 writ petitioners.
Yes, your lordship.
Then how many filed contempt?
Just a minute, your lordship.
Only 20 of them.
Yes, your lordship. There were 23 writ petitioners. So 19 or 20 petitioners filed the contempt petition. 4 missed the bus.
4.
Yes, 4
That
missed the
means
bus.
19
Yes.
19 filed.
Yes, your lordship. Now, these applicants, they filed a IA. IA 1386 of 2025 for insertion of their name in that contempt application.
Then when was the matter disposed?
Your lordship, the matter was disposed of.
5/9.
Yes, your lord, 5/9/2025. The contempt application was disposed of because there was a statement made by the other side that the order has been complied with. And accordingly, that contempt application was disposed of. However, that IA application was tagged with it. There was no order in that IA application saying that this person's name should also be added as a party petitioners in this case.
No, why do you want to add yourself now?
Your lordship, because we are not getting the benefit otherwise, your lordship.
How come? How is that? Contempt was closed on the basis of the submission that
Yes.
benefit is given.
Yes, your lordship.
You're not given.
Your lordship, this petitioners again went to the Supreme Court.
Which petitioners?
This petitioners.
Okay. Then?
Something might be there. They want something more, perhaps. But these 3 petitioners could not file that SLP because their names are not included in that contempt petitions. That's the entire story, your lordship.
Oh, it's not the entire story. You're telling a half story.
No. This is the picture, your lordship. Missed the bus. They are the original writ petitioners.
No, that much we accept. I mean, they missed the bus, okay, but
and there was an application from their side also to insert their names.
so are you trying to say that the compliance was only part compliance
No.
in respect of only those who filed the contempt petition?
Yes,
In respect of who did not file, they're not getting benefit.
They are not getting the benefit.
Show us, demonstrate.
That's the issue, your lordship.
Demonstrate, we'll see.
Your lordship will kindly see the order dated 1386. There is a if your lordships kindly look at page 59.
59. No, that I know. See, what I'm trying to tell you,
Yes.
or trying to inform you is that when the contempt is closed,
Yes, your lordship.
matter already gone, just because your names are not there in the contempt as a petitioners, what difference does it make?
That's my instruction, your lordship. They're not getting the benefit because there was an application also. That application was disposed.
If that is your instructions, please demonstrate that by your name not being reflected in the order of the court or in the contempt, you are being denied any benefit. Show me.
Your lordship, ultimately, after the closure of the petition, of the contempt petitions, they were perhaps unhappy with the orders. They went in an SLP, the rest of the petitioners.
Okay, where is that story then in your application?
No, that I have not stated, your
Then-
lordship.
So
But
why
this-
should we recall
The
that
only,
order?
your lordship, there is no concealment of any fact. The only thing is that I'm praying that.
No,
this-
no,
this
there is
name
no
should be-
concealment of fact, but there's insufficiency of fact. That's all.
But that I'm stating before your lordship, that your lordship can always consider.
No.
I'm only saying that revive this IA, then insert our names, then that can be
We
disposed
will not
of.
insert your name just for fun.
No, no.
There has to be a reason behind. You
Yes.
show us that. You satisfy the court, then we'll definitely look into it. You want to file an IA? Tell us the whole story. Don't give half story.
No, this is the only story, your lordship.
No, you
But-
said Supreme Court and all that. Where is that?
No, that fact I have
And that
not.
benefit not given to you because your name is not amongst the
issue is not
contempt,
with
the
benefit.
petitioners.
Your lordship will kindly appreciate the fact. I appreciate what has fallen from your lordship. But the thing is that they are not seeking any benefit because they are not happy with the orders of the contempt also. Perhaps they're going for an appeal. In fact, they have gone for an appeal, to be honest. So their names are
So
not there.
let them wait. Others, their friends will appeal, then they'll get the benefit.
That again, the court will say that they are the fan sitters. They may not get the benefit.
No, they are not fence sitters.
But
Because you can always say that IA was there because of IA, this thing happened, that thing happened. You can always say that.
that's your lordship will
So-
kindly condone and that allow that to that extent, your lordship.
No. You have to tell us that just because your names are not there, you're not
However, your
getting.
lordship, even if that in that IA, your lordship, which has been disposed of in terms of the order of the contempt, if that IA was there, your lordship. However, that was not pressed perhaps at that moment of time. But
Not pressed, so what? What
no,
can be
your
done now?
lordship, it was only single line. In view of the order passed in the main case, the contempt application, such and such, this interlocutory order stands disposed of.
You were there that time.
I
You
was
never objected to it.
To be honest, your lordship, I was not the counsel, your lordship.
No, that I know. You're not.
I'm not blaming anybody, your
See,
lordship.
I know you're not the counsel, but that is not an excuse. Because every stage, people will say that I'm not the counsel in that court.
No,
This
I'm not
court, I was
blaming
not the counsel. That court, I was not there.
also to that effect, your
So that
lordship.
is why when I say you, I mean you as the petitioner or the applicant, whatever. I'm not pointing at the counsel. You were represented.
Yes.
Your counsel did not say anything. This was okay. And today, if you have a good reason for revival and for adding your name,
I seek apology for that, your lordship.
Hmm.
For that, I seek sincere apology.
apology for what?
That was not brought before your lordship's notice at that moment of time. Your lordship will kindly, as now the entire facts are before your lordship can take into account. Otherwise, this will not cause prejudice to anybody, your lordship. Otherwise, I would not have.
Maybe, I don't know, but you just tell us by an additional affidavit, the reasons what will befall upon you if your name is not there. Tell us by way of an affidavit.
Your lordship, I have already.
Then I'll consider.
Your lordship, this is already there. That I was already there before your lordship.
This IA is not sufficient. That's why I'm asking you
No,
to file
that
additional affidavit.
I was there for insertion of their names, your lordship. So that was already there before your lordship. Only that much, your lordship.
No,
will do
no.
in the reopening, your lordship, that can be
You
done.
want to file additional affidavit? I'm going to dismiss this case.
Okay, your lordship. In that case, reopening on 13th.
List again on reopening. Petitioner shall file an additional affidavit. Why, giving the reasons why the name of the applicants will have to be implemented as party petitioners in the contempt petition, which was already disposed of
By order dated 5/9/2025.
by order dated 5/9/2025. Where is the contempt order? Have you annexed it? No.
Yes, your lordship.
Where's that?
Your lordship, the order is at page 53.
Annexure 3 and Annexure 4. Bracket.
Annexure 4 is the IA 1386 and
I
Annexure
got it.
3 is
Annexure
the
3 and 4. You just file an affidavit saying what will befall upon you if you're not there.
that. I got your
Whatever you have to say, then we'll consider.
deeply obliged, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Khan, why is this listed?
Kindly peruse the order dated 31/7/2025, lordship.
31/7.
Yes. After that, lordship, the subsequent two orders. My lord, no affidavit has been filed till today, nor the order has been complied with. On the last day, your lordship has that consequential action will be taken if the affidavit is not filed.
There is no.
There are the 2 dates.
Fine. The due dates at this stage in view of the speaking of the actual gosh. Yes. What is your stand in the affidavit?
In fact, lordship, direction was given to provincialize the service of the petitioner.
Where is the speaking order?
My lord,
31/3.
order of this honorable court, lordship, that is page, start from 9 and relevant, lordship, page 12, para 7.
No. This last order which you have shown me, order dated 31/7/2025.
Yes, lordship.
The court had reflected some
Last line, lordship, your lordship.
speaking order. Where's the speaking order?
No order, lordship. There is no any kind of speaking order.
Please come to the order of this court, 31/7. You have it?
No, lordship, I have seen the order.
Yes, sir. But here, see, I'll just read out for you. Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel, on the other hand, submits that there is no question of verifying the
Yes,
gift deed.
I got
At this
it.
stage, in view of the fact that a speaking order has already been passed
Yes,
by the
yes, lordship,
secretary.
lordship. I have got it, lordship.
What is that speaking
That
order?
was the part of the repetition, lordship. This order. Yeah,
And in terms of the court's order date 37/22.
lordship, that.
37/22 is in which case?
Yes, lordship, that is there. that issue of the land lordship has already been decided by the government in terms of the earlier order of this honorable court.
The other one,
Now they cannot take that plea that the school has no land.
just a minute. Court's order dated 37/22. Where is this?
This is the
37/2020.
Malab, the earlier order. In WBC number
4859. 4859.
Malab, that will be
Where is that?
that will be available in that case. That is the writ petition lordship.
So this is WPC 3723. 4859.
No, that order was made as an annexer in that case.
How many cases have you filed?
This is that was the earlier there
How many writ petition have you filed?
2 writ petition. This
One is WPC 4859.
yes, that was the first case.
And the second case,
3723.
why did you file the second case?
My lord, despite of that order, no provincialization order was issued.
So again, that's why you filed.
Again, that we approach.
Mr. Bora, there are 2 writ petitions. Earlier writ petition was there regarding provincialization. It was disposed of. Then pursuant to that, the director passed a speaking order.
No, government has passed.
Sorry, secretary passed
Secretary.
speaking order. Speaking order says that in view of our facts, Karubahi,
Koruabahi.
Karuabahi,
Yes.
Kuruabahi, is it? How do you spell it? How do you pronounce it?
Koruabahi.
Kuruabahi, Nagaya LP School.
My lord.
Possessed land since 1994, donated by so-and-so. Therefore, the concerned school is found to be eligible for provincialization under the Assam Education so-and-so. Eligible. So now why you are going for verification again of gift deed? Correct. But speaking order is there. Speaking order is there.
That issue has already been taken up in that hearing. All concerns were asked in the hearing. They appeared. Satradhikar appeared, and he has given the statement that we have given the land to the school. Everything is there.
Where is that page?
Page 12.
Yes. If all the relevant documents are found to be in order. This part you want to say.
That has already been.
Okay, we'll give you some more time then. You file your affidavit. But don't prolong it.
After failing who is lordship, the authority may be lordship.
Failing which contempt petition will be drawn? Or what?
Or the respondent may be directed to appear before the court lordship to explain that situation.
Okay.
Why they are not considering.
Please write, the attention of this court has been drawn to the order passed on 31/7/2025. So, Mr. P.K. Bora, standing counsel. Counsel for the respondent number to submit that the affidavit is ready and on account of the annexure being not legible, he requires some more time to file the same. Stop. The learned counsel has also sought to impress upon the court that the gift deed of land possession and land holding where the school Kurwabahi Nagaya LP School is situated has been sent for verification and the results of which is still awaited. Sent, I said, no? Sent on 24/7/2025. Then, and the results of which is being awaited. Be that as it may, since the affidavit is said to be ready for filing, one more opportunity is granted to file the same list again on so and so. 1510
or 16. Oblast.
Paid results.
Yes.
Madam, this is as regard to family pension, my lord.
Who is supposed to obtain instruction?
College, my lord.
Represented by whom? He's not here today? By which order?
12 14 days for the time.
What to do?
Yeah.
Hmm?
A date may fix after vacation, madam.
Mr. P.J. Saikia, learned counsel for the respondent number
4.
4. In terms of the court's order dated 12/8/2025 was required to obtain instructions, but the counsel is absent today. Released again on so and so. 2310.
Dear Lordship, can you see page 16?
What is this matter?
This is the
16.
her name was not found in the provisional list. Your Lordship will kindly see that page 16. This is an advertisement issued in the year 23 and for about 1,750 posts. Amongst them, the Hindi teacher post is also there. As your Lordship got it. Page 16.
Yes.
Now, 1,750 posts and including my lord Hindi teacher's post
You are
in the middle. I
for
am
a contender for Hindi teacher post,
Hindi teacher post.
assistant teacher
Yes,
in
yes,
Hindi.
Hindi man. In upper
Primary school.
upper primary. Now,
How many posts are there? 170.
7,000.
1750.
50.
But this includes all the subjects.
Yes, they have not segregated, my lord.
So, what is
Now,
your case?
Page 9. No, I am qualified as per the page 19, your lordship can see. Page 19, this is how the marks are to be given.
Page 19, it is for Hindi teacher, column 3, my lord. The marks are distributed 5%, 5%, 5%, and 80%.
Yes.
Accordingly, my lord, if we look into the marks, we get about 58.520. Now they have given a provisional list as per the notification. Your lordship will kindly see this.
58.520.
58.520. Now, according to, as per the notification dated 10/9/25, your lordship will kindly see that. They have made a, they have made a preliminary list, my lord. This petitioner has applied for Dhubri, second, and second page, your lordship will kindly see. Last mark is
57.
57.748. Now the provisional list, my lord, the petitioner's name has not been shown. So your lordship has directed to go to the authorities again with all the applications. So accordingly, by last orders, my lord, accordingly I have gone there, but they have not done anything. So my prayer, my lord, for the court is, your lordship will direct them to file their affidavit, keep one post vacant for Hindi teachers. Let them file their.
This is one post vacant thing. There was one more case.
That is there, but here, after the degree not recognized by the NCP, we eliminated to follow the guidelines. Then property not recognized by the NCP.
No, Mr. Chisti, yesterday we had one matter, isn't it? You say that you'll get instructions. It's not listed today. Not yet taken up.
RTA information. RTA,
Which item? Which item?
RTA Act.
In supplementary.
What like that?
Okay, not yet called. Or that not yet called, that matter. Okay. Out here, also, it appears that cutoff, first provisional cutoff is lower than what the petitioner has got marks. Petitioner claims that he or she's got 58.520.
What?
Cutoff is 57.748.
What they are saying is that, my lord, our B.Ed qualification is not a qualification as required under the provision of law. That is absolutely wrong, my lord. The lordship will see page 22.
22.
22. This is a 2 years course, Central Institute of Hindi, Agra, page 22. Hindi Agra, Hindi Shikshan Parangat equivalent to B.Ed. The lordship got it. So this is as per the RTI Act. That provision I can show, my lord. Rule 15 of the education rules. Page. So therefore, let them file the affidavit. If it is recognized under secondary education, secondary school, my lord, what is wrong with them, my lord, upper primary school? So let them think. My lord, I'll show that, my lord, because that provisions of the Act is there, RTI Act is there, 15. I'll just read, my lord. Minimum qualification for the purpose of section 23. The minimum qualification for a person to be eligible for appointment as a teacher in elementary school shall be as notified by the National Council for Teachers Education dated 23/8/2010. So that 2010 notification is enclosed with the petition, my lord. Yes, huh? No, it is there. 32, is it there? No? Huh? What was it? क्या लिखा है? ये भी स्मार्ट और हिंदी ये भी क्या है? पारंगत को चाहिए ना? पारंगत is there. Yes, page 32, madam, of the writ petition. It starts from page 29, page 32, serial number 14. Hindi section Parangat.
Page 20.
32, madam. Column 14. Hindi Shiksham Parangat. What they are saying that madam, it is recognized for high secondary school, but it is not recognized for upper primary school.
Where, page
Page
32?
14, page 32, serial number 14, my lord.
Who is this? What is this?
This is a
Senior
notification,
section
my
for-
lord. National
NCT.
Council for Teachers Education. It shows the requirement of qualification. It shows my lord Hindi.
This is for which post?
Section Parangat.
For which post? They are saying it's okay for secondary, but not for primary.
No, that is what they are saying. How can that be, my lord? If it is for secondary,
No,
how can they
this
ignore?
this document. No, that's why this is
Yes.
quite. I mean, not very common. But the thing is that where is it given in Annexure 7 that this qualification is for this post or that post?
अरे कहाँ लिखा है? Recognition, मतलब from the beginning we'll have to read.
What is the order about?
Where this is an order issued by the National Council for Teachers Education, para 3, and whereas the said institutions by affidavit have consented to come under the new regulations and have sought for number of units in B.Ed, BP, ED and MED as mentioned in para 5 below against their name, which may require additional facilities. And whereas the institution shall create, so ultimately they have approved program, my lord, your column 3, my lord. What they have approved is approved program MED. So subsequently, my lord, ultimately, my lord, that Hindi Shikshan Parangat. I'll have to explain this properly, my lord. But this is they have recognized this as an B.Ed. And in the certificate itself, they have stated equivalent to B.Ed.
Page 31 and 32 are the same thing, I think. Repeated.
Yes, ma'am.
Document is repeated.
Yes, yes.
Now, see, on the first day when you came, no notice was issued.
Yes.
Your grievance was that you have not been called for document verification.
No, they have called, they have subsequently, my lord.
Subsequently, they've called you.
They have issued their notification.
Which one?
That notification which I have handed over.
This one.
Yes. That notification.
What does it say?
Yes. It says, my lord, they have minimum qualification, minimum marks they have given.
No.
Yes. Yeah, na? We have gone. Accordingly, we have gone.
Despite being qualified,
But our names are not there.
petitioner's name was not in the verification list.
Accordingly, we have gone, my lord. We have submitted this petition after the order.
Petition where?
There, the authority, as per the order of the court.
Did court direct you to submit a petition?
No, they have submitted, my lord. That last order, your lordship will kindly see. Where is the last order?
You had submitted representation.
Yes, as per the order of the court. And I don't know why my name is not there. If they are saying my educational qualification is not there, they will have to say it in the affidavit. Last order, your lordship will kindly see. Order is dated 15/9/25. So accordingly, we have visited, submitted all the documents.
No, see, what I'm not understanding is on 5/9/25 notice was issued.
Yes,
Your grievance was that your name was not in the verification list.
yes.
Then,
Then they have said that you can go again.
hmm,
So accordingly, court directed on 15/9/25. 15/9/25.
okay, 5925.
Yes. Asked again to visit the office. So we have visited the office, submitted the documents once again. Yes.
In terms of which letter?
In terms of your lordship's order dated 15/9/25.
No, the aforesaid letter is directing the petitioner to revisit the office.
Yes.
This means,
We have submitted all the documents and the documents if we. But my name is not shown, my lord. Maybe they are thinking that I'm not qualified, but they have not shown. Why my name is not shown?
as such, petitioner should have visited the office of those given dates and so and so, so and so. When did you visit?
That the seal is there, my lord. I have submitted.
69.
Yes.
Then after visiting, what happened?
After visiting them, nothing is there. But I do not know why my name is not there.
No, while visiting, what you submitted representation also.
Yes, that letter, that.
This one.
First, yes. And it is duly acknowledged. And they are going to make appointment on 10th of next month. If I am not qualified because of my Parangat degree, they must say so. If it is qualified, if it is, I'll explain before the court that degree is equivalent to B.Ed and that this is applicable for the purpose of this secondary, upper.
Okay, why did you annex this division bench order?
Division bench order.
Yes. Some graduate Hindi.
That is because of, my lord, it is applicable for secondary school. Secondary, that they've issued a memo for secondary education, madam. My lord, your lordship will kindly see last sentence. In this paragraph, last sentence.
Which paragraph?
Recognition of office memorandum, that is the High Court has depicted this order because the government has issued an office memorandum. Subject, your lordship will kindly see, recognition of Hindi Shikshan Parangat and Hindi Shikshan Nishan degree awarded by the Central Institute of Hindi, Agra, as equivalent to B.Ed and M.Ed examination respectively. Now last paragraph. Now after careful consideration of all aspects, the government have decided to further recognize the Hindi Shikshan Parangat and Hindi Shikshan Nishan degree awarded by the Central Institute of Hindi, Agra, as equivalent to B.Ed. So the certificate which I have annexed, this is the degree I have passed, and accordingly this is equivalent to B.Ed. But this is in respect of, this is issued by the secondary education department. And they are saying this is applicable for secondary education department, but not for upper primary schools and all. How can that be, my lord? This is a government, this is a, yes, NCT rules also say same, my lord. This office memorandum has been issued by, issued in terms of that central institutes that are under the RTI Act. I'll explain, my lord, if necessary, but first let them show that because you are not B.Ed and your Shikshan Parangat is not recognized as this has to come in the form of affidavit.
You file your affidavit then?
Yes, immediately it should be taken up, my lord, but the one post should be kept vacant, my lord, should not be filled up. Till the next day. No.
Outcome.
What will happen, my lord, if the posts are filled up? I cannot make all the party, my lord. Your lordship may reject, my lord.
Can if the petition is eligible, when petition is not eligible now? How can the?
That is what your lordship is going to decide, whether eligible or not eligible.
Petition is okay, it is not eligible.
Then your lordship may decide that you'll have to, because on 10th they are going to appoint. This has to be sorted out, my lord. What they are saying that no, we'll decide. That
No,
means
on what basis are you saying that Hindi Shikshan Paranghat is not recognized? No, you have not filed an affidavit also. What is your instruction? Given means where? Which one? This one?
Yes.
Last?
notification to go. 23 thing.
The recognition is limited in specific purpose of in teaching Hindi in high school, higher secondary school, colleges and training institutions. Then what is applicable for the primary school? Huh? No, exactly. That's why this is an issue which is to be decided then. So if something is going to happen on 10th, then there'll be difficulty. Yes.
How can that be?
No, if there is vacancy only. If there's no vacancy, how you? No, that's why that eligibility part is the issue which is to be considered by the court in due course. You are saying that you're not saying no, so you're saying that where is that?
It will be a great issue, my lord. A very important issue.
No, you are saying that para 2, no? It says that Hindi Shikshan Paranga degree is not mentioned in the guidelines. That much only. It doesn't say that it is not applicable as per the guidelines. Not mentioned. Are you saying that the Paranga degree is over qualification to teach primary school? You follow the NCT guidelines. NCT guidelines does not include, does not mention this. You will file an affidavit. We'll keep one post vacant. There's no other way out. Again, you're repeating the same thing. This is the one issue which is to be considered by the court. Parties are represented by the respective councils. Mr. B.D. Das, Lanet Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. J. Sharma, submits that. J. Sahu submits that. As per the, what is this list? Provisional list for appointment of LP teachers in Hindi, correct?
Yes.
The upper primary teacher in Hindi. In Assamese medium, is it?
For Hindi teachers in Assamese medium school.
And the teachers in the Assamese medium school. The lowest cut of marks is 57.748, whereas the petitioner, in terms of the eligibility criteria given in the advertisement dated 26/12/2023, can be calculated to have secured 58.520 marks. Stop. Therefore, name of the petitioner should have been given in the provisional select list, provisional merit list. Mr. P.K. Bora, Lanet Standing Council, Elementary Education, submits that as per the instructions received by him, the petitioner is having the Hindi Shikshan Prangat degree, which is not the qualification mentioned in the NCT guidelines. And therefore, the petitioner would not be eligible to be considered against the post in question. He submits that he may be given some time to file the detailed affidavit in this regard. Mr. Alam appears for the NCT, and he also submits that he will make a clarification in this regard as well. In view of above, list the matter again. When can you file?
Uh,
22nd of October. It is October, full stop. Having regard to the issue involved, and the projection made by the parties, it is hereby directed that till the next date, one post of Hindi teacher in the upper primary school be kept vacant.
Did we have-
May I please, my lord? My lord, my basic grievance is that, my lord, since I was eligible for old pension scheme, I was put under the new pension scheme. The basis of that was, since the time when I was appointed, there was a specific note which says that once I complete the in-service primary teachers training evolution, thereafter I will be given the regular time scale of pay. Now, my regular time scale of pay, which I am claiming, is from 5/3 to 2004. But the regular time scale of pay which the authority is considering is 31/8/2005. With regard to that, my lord, day before yesterday, the Learned Council has submitted an instruction. The instruction says that my eligibility will be considered from 31/8/2005 instead of what I am claiming for. Now, my lord, what I have observed is that the basis of instruction is SCERT. My lord, SCERT is not a party in my petition. I may be given an opportunity to implement the SCERT as a respondent so that that aspect can be clarified on what basis they are saying this. Because the respondent authority, the basis is the instruction from the SCERT. So I may be given an opportunity, my lord, immediately after 3 weeks, my lord.
Okay, counsel for the petitioner submits that the SCRT will have to be made a party in the case, and for which she seeks some time to file appropriate application.
Yes.
Praise allowed list again after the ensuing vacation.
I'm obliged, my lord.
This is that matter. Yes.
Time of online application, submitted. Okay, so
Uploaded what? CTET.
Maximum. Click out of CTET examination. CTET is mandatory.
Let them file an affidavit to explain. Well, today we'll also respond to that.
CTET full form is?
Central TET, teacher eligibility test.
Is there any rejection slip?
No.
Whether you have been accepted or not, they have not been informed.
No. Because only this provisional selection list, my name does not appear. Do know that is the case. That was not informed to me. My document has verified everything was wrong. And the reason are also assigned to. Though they are remark column is there, nothing appearing against the remark column also. If your lordship kindly see, just one. Start from page 47.
So we'll ask them to file affidavit.
Lordship.
In terms of the order dated 25/9/2025, Mr. B. Talukdar, Learned Standing Council Elementary Education Department, submits that he has received the Paravas report, which shows that the petitioner failed to upload had uploaded only admit card of CTET examination issued by the Central Board of Secondary Education while submitting the online application. Your CTET is after the advertisement,
Yes.
not before.
No. We have applied in the exam, appeared in the examination in the meantime, but the
So are
result,
you supposed to submit that CTET before the advertisement?
there is
uh,
nothing, my lord, in the advertisement I have not seen, my lord. They only prescribed qualification. Lordship.
What was the last date?
Last date was, my lord, it was extended. And my lord was 13/2,
13/2 of what?
2024.
24.
Right.
So your CTET admit card says the date of examination is 21 what?
21/1/2020. Result was declared later.
Okay, he submits that, he'll file a detailed affidavit
Yes, ma'am.
in a position. If some more time is granted. We'll give above list again on so and so.
Well, in the meantime, I'll one post they may not.
A post,
Yes, one post.
one post of
Yes.
what's the post?
UP assistant.
Assistant teacher, upper primary school
Ah,
in Hindi,
ah,
in Bengali medium be kept vacant till the next
Lovely.
returnable date.
obliged. Lord.
List again so and so and so.
We'll respond to that, my lord.
That was what Assamese. No, I understand, but that was in what? Assamese. Assamese. Yeah. Anyway. No, they appeared, but the results came out later on.
Result not declared, my lord. What do you mean?
That argument is always open to you.
Yes.
We'll see. Will not be deprived, you see.
Yes.
If the petitioner fails to convince the court, the post will have to.
Yes.
Understand. Somebody will have to wait.
Yes.
That will decide. We'll see.
Obliged.
I alum Mr. Learned Counsel for the NCT APS for respondent number 3. Do you have anything to say in this case? Okay. That's all. Okay, thank you.